NI Act and sentence page 55. My lord, kindly have a glance.
In this case, let
They're
them
not
solve my
copy.
My lord, the petition is in custody. My
Yes.
the petition is in custody.
Hmm.
Madam,
Madam,
I am serving the copy.
Your
in
lordship will
court.
take up day after
No,
tomorrow.
my lord, the petition is in custody. 138 NI Act. The case is trial by summons case, my lord. The petition is in custody. My defense please that he has taken 3 checks and utilized 2 checks. And he has stated that in presence of CSW2, the check was given, but CSW has denied to him. Let them go on bail day after tomorrow for hearing. I have no
Let
objection.
them deposit 50% of
My
the
lord,
check
I
amount.
have
And let them go on bail, my lord. I am not opposing.
my lord, he has already deposited in appellate court's order.
20% he has deposited.
Ruined, sir.
I have the petitioner.
Please sit down. The person only who arguing will only stand. The other person has to sit down. Please, 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 please. You have chair. The chair is waiting for you. ना ना chair काढ़ीबे ना जितना काढ़ देबे हाँ से जगह खाली छोड़ रहिबो for the opposite counsel. So
I have already deposited. My
how much total amount? How much?
total check amount is 10 lakhs. My lord, pays to kindly
10 lakh 50,000
rupees 2,52,500 I have deposited. Pursuant to order passed by the appellate court, and he was enlarged on bail.
2 lakh 52,000. ठीक है, it's fine.
2,52,000, 20%.
That is
the mandate of the Supreme Court.
That is the law. I don't dispute. My lord, once they are seeking a bail here, let them deposit 2 lakh more, 2,50,000 more. Let them go on bail. I am not opposing the bail.
That is up to the court.
Yes, I am requesting. I am requesting, my lord.
Let him go on bail. He'll
My lord, let him go on bail. Let him deposit some amount.
What I'm planning. See, one thing. Let him go on bail. I'm fixing a date. Both of you get ready. We'll finish.
Well, let him deposit some amount. Let him deposit.
He already deposited 50%.
He has deposited 2,50,000. That is not in dispute, madam. I don't dispute it. 10 lakhs is the check. Let him deposit.
Do
50,000. Let him go on.
Let your client deposit another 2 lakh, 2.5 lakh.
Let Supreme Court stays.
Sir, Supreme Court छोड़न दो ना. मु bail पे Supreme
Oh,
Court.
1 lakh, 1 lakh.
Hearing पे कोई Supreme Court. Bail पे कोई नहीं. Bail का court can fix any terms and
1 lakh करंत. 2 lakh दे परना. Custody अच्छे दे परियो.
Custody बाहरी की दो 2,50,000.
बाहरी की दे दो.
बाहरी की दो.
बाहरी की तावरा.
मना करूँ.
मास से भीतर कोची.
हाँ. आज्ञा.
Okay, ठीक है. दे दो.
Yes.
Good suggestion.
ମୁଁ କହୁନି ଯେ ସେ custody ଭିତରୁ ଦବ.
ठीक है. Okay. Custody बाहरी की दो. बाहरी की 1 month भीतर दो.
Yes.
1 month time भी दो. 1 month पर भी fix कर चुके.
आज्ञा.
Next. The petitioner prefers a criminal revision application challenging the legality of the judgment dated 29/1/2024 passed by the learned additional session judge Champua in criminal appeal number 7 up to 2022. What's up? That regards with the revisionist submit that the appellate court has affirmed the judgment of conviction and order of sentence dated 30 May 2022 passed by the learned judicial magistrate first class Champua in ICC 1CC case number 16 of 2019. The petitioner also challenged the judgment of conviction of order of sentence dated 30th May 2022 passed by the judicial magistrate first class Champua in ICC 1CC case number 16 of 2020. And both the judgments passed by the learned court as well as trial court are not sustainable law. Lord Constable, the petitioner for the revisionist for the submits that the he has already deposited rupees 2,52,500 rupees towards the towards the compensation amount. Towards part payment of the compensation amount on 5/9/2022. Okay. Considering all these facts, like the above, public. What are the IA you have filed?
IA 1 is for bail and another is for stay relation of fine.
Stay relation of fine.
Another is bail.
However, the petitioner is directed to deposit rupees another 2.5 lakh 2,50,000. Within 1 month from today. Also. And the petition release on bail. Again, one, the order of this court. Present. Okay. But after release from the custody, we shall arrange 2.5 lakh within a month and deposit in the court below.
Madam, I may pardon my lord, one prayer, my lord. The deposit shall be without any prejudice subject to result of the revision.
Obviously.
Madam,
I'm adding that.
Ah.
The said deposit shall be without prejudice.
Subject to result of the
subject to
revision.
result of
Another thing, my lord,
criminal revision. How can I
1 lakh, 2,50,000 ଦେଇପାରିବେନି କଣ modification
or
ଆସିବ?
2 lakh do tell.
1,50,000 କର।
Okay, 2 lakh. 2 lakh to debo. 2 lakh.
1.5 ଲକ୍ଷ କରନ୍ତୁ।
Bargain କରନ୍ତୁ। ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପଇସା ତ ଯଦି ଜିତିବେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପଇସା
Yes,
ଫେରେଇବେ।
he's a doctor.
Huh?
And he's a doctor.
ଆଉ କଣ ଦେଇପାରିବେନି କହୁଛନ୍ତି?
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଗୋଟେ ପେସେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଖିଲେ ପରେ ଆଜ୍ଞା 50,000
ହଁ କିଏ କୋଉଠି ଓଡିଶାରେ କିଏ 50,000? ଆପଣ ଯେମିତି ଆମେ
ମାନେ ନର୍ସିଂ ଫିକ୍ସ ଡେଟ୍ ଅଫ
But copy served in the court. I have not kept the
Okay,
receipt.
serve a copy.
Copy served in the court, my lord.
Okay, and consequent petitions of the copy.
your nurse fix a date of
Yeah, I'm fixing it. Let the matter be heard on 3rd April.
third.
3rd April for final hearing. है ना?
Yes.
No party shall take any adjournment on any ground.
Gratefully.
Instead of third, fifth, my lord. Instead of third, fifth.
5th Friday, I'm not going to.
Third,
Third,
fourth,
I don't know Friday कौन
Third-
कोई दिन कौन ही होती
third on fourth.
Fourth thing.
That I'm grateful that your lordship has said no adjournment. I'm grateful.
I'll finish it. अपन माने चाह I'm ready to hear the matter. Yes. Next.
Item number 2.
2.
To your lordships, in fact, that is what is under challenge has been partly set aside. Your lordship, that is annexure 2, page 48.
What is the issue?
Your lordship, this order was there before your lordship. This is an order where a lot of people were not heard and orders have been passed. This annexure 2, your lordships.
Is that
Yes, I'm affected by,
Agrawal infra? bit?
yes, but I am affected by para 50, page 85.
Para
50.
You have that order, the early order.
I have annexed it.
Para 15.
50. The state, may I read it, your lordship?
Yes.
The state respondent shall also initiate criminal proceedings against the then Tahsildar
yes,
Jugal
yes.
Kishore Mishra.
Give me that which page is the order is there?
85. 85 रे से paragraph टा ଅଛି.
80. No, my order.
ତା ପର page ଟା. That is page
87. madam.
87 ରୁ ଆରମ୍ଭ ହଉଛି. Operative portion is at page 93.
So who are you?
Your lordship, para 50, may I just show your lordship? I am Sanjay Kumar Samantray. My name is mentioned in para 80.
What is
50.
your role?
Your lordships, I was then the additional Tahsildar, but neither I was
You
made party.
are the government servant.
Yes. And the allegation against
So
me,
Tahsildar is also to be prosecuted.
yes, your
Sorry,
lordship, but I was not heard. And but there's actually one more
But
thing.
in another matter also, there was I have stayed, some Tahsildar was there. I think some.
I have got that.
Sam,
Yes, I have got I have got the order where your lordships have set this aside and have asked that I should be heard. I also require the same kind of an order. Same kind.
This.
My lord, in
Yes,
this
yes,
case,
your lordships.
may I audible, my lord?
I
Yes.
need, anyways, the
this
order
case
is set
that
aside for
number
everybody's purpose.
Sorry?
Copy didn't serve. The OP number 5 is Union of India.
Well, they are not really the answer, man. It's the, they don't represent the tribunal anyways also. So they
It is
may
not
be,
question
there
of
in the
every
tribunal.
tribunal or non-tribunal. Once they either you delete the
they will be
Give a
given
party, give a copy.
order already has been set aside, your lordships. Your lordships will see page 93.
But give him a copy now. Why
We
should
will
he say
give him
that?
a copy, your lordships, but I can think.
Give him a copy, I'm fixing tomorrow. Let's give him a copy. Why should he say that we have not
ହଁ,
served?
ତାଙ୍କର ଗୋଟେ bill-
Give it a copy. Tomorrow, Mr. Pari, tomorrow.
My lord.
They will give you a copy today.
They-
I'm fixing
they are
tomorrow.
agreeable, give the copy, let the order be passed.
They don't know what is the case about.
My lord, Lordship may give to day after tomorrow, then chief jail serve the today, immediately will make it scan and send to the ministry. Without communicating the ministry, everybody has a impression that the Union of India is coming forward for getting the bills, not a question.
Anyway, okay.
Government of India, whatever petition they are coming, nowadays, every ministry is
Your
required
lordship,
that.
the problem would be this, ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦେବାରେ କିଛି ନାହିଁ, they will not come up with instruction, the matter will get adjourned.
No, I'll not adjourn it. No, never.
Lordship
Let
may
it-
keep it
let-
after
let-
tomorrow.
let-
Just for that, they want that, they have to
If
inform them.
we
That's
don't
all.
have any say, we will not.
Okay, give it today.
हाँ, we
Day
will
after
give
tomorrow.
it, we will give it.
Day after tomorrow. Okay.
Thing is, it order has already been set.
I know
aside.
that, I know. But let them,
Let's-
why should somebody say I have not heard? Whatever they, let them communicate. Give it a copy. Day after tomorrow. Next.
Item number 3,
3,
Oh, we need to win back information.
My lord,
3.
here, my lord, by the grievance,
Union must be party. 100%. Minister of Environment will be party. That is Union. Yes.
my lord, kept certain fixed deposit of her husband. Husband died.
Hmm.
And my lord, by mistake, the nominee name was not there.
Hmm.
Now the widow petitioner filed a application and my lord, time and again requested.
Oh, nominee is not there.
Yes.
There is no harm.
And but
That
now
can be given to the LR.
legal heirs.
Legal heirs.
Now, recently, the another daughter, she is not coming forward because there is some dispute between mother and daughter. But another daughter is there. There are two daughters. So my prayer, my lord, the bank authorities to notice all the legal heirs
Hmm.
and the matured value may be proportionately divided by 3, and the user's charges, whatever may be, will be paid deducted from the and bank should take a decision. My representation is there.
So I
That is
think
only sole grievance.
there is no harm.
Or else it will go to RBI.
Go to the person who is aggrieved.
No. They will send notice.
Is their party here?
Yes, party.
So let notice go. I will solve here.
That
notice-
fix a short day, and my friend should take instruction.
Their money,
There
we are
The
ready to-
petitioner is seeking a direction from this court to OP number 1, State Bank of India, commercial branch, industrial estate branch, Rasulgarh, Manchester, Bhubaneswar, for release of the fixed deposit with matured value to the petitioner of her proportionate 1/3 share, as per the legal heirs of deceased husband late Dr. Pradeep Chandra Chaudhary. They have a directed Pradeep Chaudhary, who died, living behind the legal heirs who are made party in the present. All legal heirs are made
All
party? In the
legal, 2 and 3,
Present rate petition.
and I filed repentance with the
So-
bank. Let the bank in the meantime pending notice.
Considering the
Answer
facts
4.
and circumstances narrated in the rate petition, let notice be issued to 1, 2, 3. Mr. Balkrishnan, waves of notice on
There are
behalf
2,
of 1.
3. I am serving copy to
One
Balkrishnan.
by one, and copy be served on him. And 2 and 3 be
I'll-
served through registered post. List the matter on 11.
As you lordship.
They're all in Bhubaneswar, na? So.
If your lordship, my annexure 4 repentance is there. If bank authority pending decision, if may they take
It will
it.
be finished here. Why are you worried?
Oh.
Why bank will do it here only. Why I don't want to release
Grateful.
again.
Yes.
It will go to bank. Bank will do something else. Let it be
Yes.
finished here.
My lord, grateful.
Representation business is
3
stopped
पाई
here.
तो bank.
I ban representation.
I
Totally ban in my court,
grateful.
except for certain cases where it is necessary. Otherwise, representation disposal is banned totally. So it has to be done here. Next.
ସେ 3 ଜଣଙ୍କର ଭାଗ କରିକି ଡ୍ରାଫ୍ଟ ଦେଇଥିଲେ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଆମେ ୟୁଜର ଫି ଦେବାକୁ ରାଜି ଅଛୁ
ଯାହା ବାଗ
ବଟ୍
କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଆପଣ ନୋଟିସ ଯାଅ ଆଉ ସେମାନେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ଆସନ୍ତୁ ଦେଖିବେ।
ଆଇ ୱିଲ୍
Okay.
ଗ୍ରେଟଫୁଲ
11th. If in the meantime the amount no the bank shall not release the amount in favor of anybody. Hello?
item number 4,
Till the
Madam,
next.
petitioner vehicle has been seized
by the opposite party were 2 and 3 on for non-payment of 2 installments, and they forcefully seized on 19/1/2024. And he is ready to regularize the installments, and because tenure is there till
Which bank?
this is a finance company, Hindujal Island,
Hindujal Island.
2-3.
Okay. What happened? They have seized the vehicle. How, when did you stop paying
I have not paid 2 installments.
2 installment?
Yes, they have seized the vehicle.
When did you stop paying?
Well,
When did you stop paying?
I have paid till November.
This November?
Yes,
23rd?
yes,
So that can be regularized then.
yes. They are not,
Do,
but
do
they
one
have seized.
thing. Get ready with your 2 installment you have not paid.
Yes,
November up to who appears for the Hinduja in here? Anybody?
notices.
Nalini Kanta Das. Tango de duntu copy.
Aye,
I'm fixing tomorrow. We'll finish
aye,
it.
aye.
It will be done here only.
Hmm.
Issue notice to the third learner consultative petitioner. Issue notice to opposite party number
2 and 3.
2 and 3. 2, 3 darkar nahi. 2
Aye.
and 2 and 4. 4
और active जे ownership transfer होवनी से पहले
ownership transfer ହେଇନି ତ
नहीं
ହେଇନି. Okay, Mr. Counsel for the transport waves of notice. Give him a copy.
copy served already.
Copy, sir. Okay, OP number 3. Let a copy be served for Nalini Kanta Das. Served to Mr. Nalini Kanta Das, who usually appears on behalf of the opposite party number 3. This the matter day after tomorrow.
Day after.
Time.
Again,
Section navagata nahi kariye.
and no coercive action. Sir.
No prosecution till the next date. Next. But give it the copy so that on that
Again,
date
आज ही दे दी.
it's in 9 matter. The minute sir.
Aye.
Okay. Next.
Item number 5.
5.
So if I may please your lordship, my lord, under challenges the summons that has been issued of the cooperative society under section 77 along with an alternative prayer seeking for regularization under OTS. My lord, may kindly have an
Summons have been issued by whom?
summons has been issued by the cooperative tribunal.
Tribunal.
Again.
So matter is pending there.
Yes, your lordship.
So why are you coming here?
Yes, my lord, may please have a glance at annex.
No, I have answered my question.
My lord,
Why are
yeah,
you
the
coming?
reason for this is I am seeking time there. They're compelling me without giving me an opportunity of fair hearing. They're saying that you write in your hands that you will pay the money. Your lordship will see page 17. I am seeking for time to contest the case.
What are you challenging here?
My lord, I am seeking for an OTS settlement because that is what is the order of the.
That you can see.
Yes, my lord. Your lordship's order can convey that, or else your lordship will just see page 17. My lord, ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ସେଇଠି ଯାଇକି ନା କହିଲେ ମତେ ଗୋଟେ ଦିନ ଟାଇମ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ମୋ ଶୋକଜ ରିପ୍ଲାଏ ଫାଇଲ କରିବି ମତେ ଜବରଦସ୍ତି ଲେଖେଇଲେ କି ନା ମୁଁ ଆଶ୍યોର କରୁଛି ମୁଁ ସବୁ ପଇସା ଦେଇଦେବି. So my grievance before your lordship is this, that he is not being given a fair opportunity of being heard also. That your lordship will see at page 17.
You're challenging that order.
My lord, I have challenged the summons, initial issuance of summons, but the proceedings, my prayer is that I may be given an alternative prayer is to be given a fair opportunity of being heard.
That in between you can't come and so anybody will come and.
My lord, don't have the- my lord,
I don't know
Dekhantu.
whether opportunity has been given or.
No. My lord, may see page
From where, how
17.
do you demonstrate that the
Yes, page
opportunity is not
17.
given to you?
Page 17, my lord. Please for a moment, my
Page
lord.
17.
Your lordship.
What is this?
My lord, this is my letter to the arbitrator of the Assistant Register of Cooperative Societies. The demand notice is there. Your lordship will see the initial first part wherein I have stated that 1 month time may be kindly given in my favor for which I shall be grateful. Taro pore your lordship will see samane nije jabardasti lekhile. It is pertinent to mention that I assure you to pay all the amount within 1 month. This is my request.
What is the amount?
My lord, as on date, the demand is.
जबरदस्ती केंद्र लिखे देवे आपन को
My lord, सुनिलानी परा. Your lordship.
जबरदस्ती आपण काहे लिखिले
My lord, ମୁଁ ଲେଖିପାରିବିନି ଆମ ଓଡିଆ ଲୋକ ପରା ମୁଁ ଓଡିଆରେ ଦସ୍ତଖତ କରିଛି. They have written it and forced me to sign there.
you don't know English
No, my lord, that is exactly my case. ମୋ signature.
what is your educational qualification
My lord, ଗରିବ ଲୋକ ସେ ସେଠି
गरीब लोग क्वालिफिकेशन होता है
My lord, ସେ ତ ଓଡିଆରେ
गरीब
ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି.
I have qualification you are there are many people who have गरीब but they have good qualification
ନାଇଁ କିନ୍ତୁ ଓଡିଆରେ ଲେଖି ପାରୁଥିବ ଓଡିଆରେ ସେ ଦସ୍ତଖତ କରୁଛି.
କେତେ ପଡିଛି
My lord, ସେ instructions ଟା ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି.
ଆପଣ ପ୍ରୁଭ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଏଟା ସେ ଲେଖିନି
ନା my lord, କାରଣ your lordship will see ତାର affidavit ଟା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ which has been filed in the present case.
ଏଟା ରେଣ୍ଡେଟ ନାହିଁ ଏଟା
Affidavit ଟା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଯୋଉଟା ଏଇ କେସରେ ମୁଁ ଫାଇଲ କରିଛି Sethere, my lord, he has given an undertaking that this has been read and explained to him in Odia, and thereafter he has put his signature. So also the Vakalatnama he has signed in Odia. Even in this paper that I'm showing your lordship, it has been signed in Odia. ସେମାନେ ସେଠି ଯାଇକି ସେ ମାଗିଲା କି ମତେ ଟିକେ ଟାଇମ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଦେହ ଭଲ ଲାଗୁନି କି ଯାହା ବି ସେମାନେ ତାଙ୍କ your lordship will see the difference in handwriting also. ଉପରଟା ଅଲଗା ଲୋକ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ଯୋଉଥିରେ ସିଏ ଟାଇମ ମାଗିବା ପାଇଁ ଯାଇଛି ତଳେ ସେମାନେ ଲେଖିଲେ ଜବରଦସ୍ତି କି ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ ପଇସା ଦେଇଦେବି.
In the list of dates and events, my lordship kindly have a glance.
Sir, one thing, let me tell you.
My lord,
If a person, if jana podi se logo sign jo marchi.
my lord, just I want to draw. Aye.
ଗୋଟେ ଲୋକକୁ ଲେଖି କରିବେ ଆଉ ପଢିଲା ବେଳକୁ ଇଂଲିଶ ରେ କଣ ଲେଖିଦେ ପଢିଲା ବେଳକୁ ଏଇଆ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ତୁ ସାଇନ୍ ମାରୁଛୁ
ନାଇଁ ସେଇଥିରେ ସେ କଣ ହେଇଛି ସେ ଲୋକ ଅଦାଲତ ଯାଇଥିଲା ଲୋକ ଅଦାଲତରେ ଏଟା ସେଟଲ ହେଲା ଯେ ଓଟିଏସ୍ ରେ ହବ that amount was fixed, my lord. That list of date and events is selected.
ଛାଣ ତାପରେ କଣ ଲେଖନ୍ତି
Then thereafter, my lord, that demand was made that OTS under what OTS that.
but when he has gone to a court or tribunal he should have given a fair hearing. After that you
Yes,
impose whatever
yes, that should-
has
that-
not been done properly.
Yes.
Like,
My lord, let notice be issued to them.
The tribunal has not given you a fair hearing. Instead, who has compelled you to sign?
My lord, ସେଇଠିକାର ଲୋକମାନେ
କିଏ ସେଟା?
my lord, ସେଇଟା ସିଏ କହିଲେ କି ସେଇଠି ସାପ ବସିଥିଲେ ମତେ
କୋଉ
ଜବର
ସାପ ବସିଥିଲେ?
my lord, that he cannot identify.
ଏଟା signature ଟା କିଏ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ବାଲା କରିଛନ୍ତି?
ଆଜ୍ଞା କୋଅପରେଟିଭ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ରୁ ତାଙ୍କର କେସ୍ ହେଲା କି 2009 ରେ ଗୋଟେ ଲୋନ ନିଆ ହେଇଥିଲା.
Fair hearing. Instead, the bank authority has made him to sign on a paper which is written in English and read over in Odia, and the petitioner had to sign on the basis of the narration in Odia. Full stop. However, something else was written in English, which was nothing but fraud committed by the bank authority. Full stop. The tribunal should have gone into all these aspects and decided the issue by affording him an opportunity of hearing. Instead, the tribunal has passed the order. What is it?
ଅର୍ଡର ପାସ୍ କରିନାହାନ୍ତି
କଣ କରୁଛି?
ଏଇଟା କହିଲେ କି ତୁ ପଇସା ଦେଇଦବୁ ସୋ ମୁଁ ଏବେ ଆଉ ଯାଇକି ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ କିଛି କେସ୍ ପେ ପ୍ଲିଡ୍ କରିପାରିବି.
So, anyways, so they've closed it.
No, matter is pending.
Pending, na? Okay. In such view of the matter, let the tribunal hear the matter on merit, giving him an adequate opportunity to the petitioner and dispose it of within a period of 1 month from.
No, time limit set करନ୍ତୁ
Why ki?
my lord, because what
3 months later.
ଆଜ୍ଞା my lord, what yes my lord, in the meantime
अरे 3 months more
ଆଜ୍ଞା
time.
my lord, what I'm praying is
time ନାହିଁ କିଛି.
ଟିକେ my lord ସେ ଗୋଟେ ଖାଲି ଦେଖିବେ ଲୋକ ଅଦାଲତରେ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଆସିକି କହିଲା କି ଯେତେବେଳେ ଓଟିଏସ୍ ସ୍କିମ୍ ଆସିବ
ତମ ବଦମାସ ତମ କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ ଟାଇମ କହିଥାନ୍ତ ଇଏ ସେ ଗଡୁଛ
ନା
କହିଲି I am not going to
my lord ସିଏ କହିଛନ୍ତି ଓଟିଏସ୍
I am
ସେଟେଲ୍ କରିଦେବ.
not going to the history. You will be given fair opportunity. What they will
ଆଜ୍ଞା
pass the
my lord,
order.
the bank may consider his case for OTS.
Please.
My lord,
Final matter dispose of.
ଆଜ୍ଞା my lord, the bank may consider his case for OTS. ନା my lord, in the meantime it is
ସେଠି
ହଁ
ଗୋଟେ ଜାଗାରେ ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଅଛି why I will let bank consider
my lord, ସିଏ ଯଦି କରିଦେବେ my lord ପଇସା ସତ
ଲୋନ ନେଲା ବେଳେ ଗରିବ
my lord 2009 ର କେସ୍ ଆଜ୍ଞା କିଛି କାଗଜ ପତ୍ର ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି ଆଜ୍ଞା my lord ଟିକେ ଦେଖି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ.
the tribunal shall give the adequate opportunity and pass order in accordance with the law. Dispose of. Next.
my lord documents କେତେ ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି 2009
ଭାଇ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଜାଗାରେ ଅଛି ମୁଁ କେମିତି ଓଟିଏସ୍ କର ନ କର
ନା, ନା, ନା.
am I not bypassing the
what I'm seeking my lord ଖାଲି
Sir, when a matter is pending before another court, is it proper or another higher court to say, okay, consider?
my lord, let them give us all documents so that banks with loan ରୁ ଯାହା ନେଇଥିଲେ ତ ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ କେସ୍ କରିପାରିବି. my lord ଖାଲି ଟିକେ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ page 15
I am
ଆମେ
not
request
going to do anything, whatever you wanted.
ଆଜ୍ଞା my lord, let the tribunal direct them to give us documents.
I should not. Why
my lord, may kindly consider.
the same thing there.
my lord, I'll do
Ask
that.
them there. Don't limit the.
ଆଚ୍ଛା ଠିକ ଅଛି my lord, I'll file my petition and
Briefing ଯୋଉଠି ଅଛି ସେଇଠି ରହନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ ତା ଅଧିକ ବଢିଲେ ଭଲ ନୁହେଁ.
ଆଜ୍ଞା
I pass negative order and personally also କଣ ଲେଖିଦେବି. Don't do this.
I'm grateful lordship.
You are good counsel that I am excuse ଅଲଗା କିଏ କର personally cost ଲଗେଇଦେବି ସେମିତି.
ନାଇଁ I'm grateful lordship.
Why are you going crossing the limit?
ନାଇଁ grateful lordship.
Something is pending before another authority. Another your proceedings is there. Why should this court will interfere and say all these things? Is it not?
No, your lordship is absolutely right, my lord.
Next.
Grateful.
Item number 6.
6.
6, my lord. Last time your lordship was pleased to direct the state council
to take instruction in the matter. This is relating to non-payment of compensation.
That compensation in the Kanmal, right?
Yes.
What about?
My lord, in 2012, my lord, this case has come up before lordship first time, my lord. After
I think
2012.
I think
So-
Mr. Chinchini also filed similar one.
Yes. 16/10/2012 ରେ
But I
ଆସିଲା।
fixed it some
Chinchani.
other day. Do you have any idea?
Chinchani.
Ah, okay. I'm pronunciation sorry. So he had also similar case.
My lord. My lord, I will obtain instruction because since 2012
Okay.
it has
Then
come.
consider the state to take instruction. But take instruction quickly.
Yes,
And
yes,
this
yes,
will be
yes.
kept pending for so old matter to
My lord,
12
my,
matter.
my lord,
So it is 12 years old matter.
my lord.
And next date I will maybe extra time.
No, my lord,
I'll
I'll
to take instruction within 2 weeks from today and list the matter on 15th March. It is made clear that there shall not be any adjournment on behalf of any of the party
my lord.
on the next date of it. Who grounded our instruction?
My lord, I'll-
counter
I'll only obtain instruction, my lord. My lord, because I thought that case must have been become infructuous because
You
it
take
had-
instruction. 2 weeks time dochi,
Well.
further time agni.
Well.
The officer code what come what may he has to give the instruction.
Yes, yes.
Next.
Please.
Item 7.
7th.
On behalf of Mitali Justi,
On behalf of?
Mitali Justi,
Okay.
no instruction. Lord.
No, it's a fifth petitioner. Give, okay. What is your name?
Divya Tanya Jethi. Divya Tanya Jethi.
Repeat.
Divya Tanya Jethi.
How do you lama helani? I go on Madri Judy Son digit. Okay, Divya Tanaya
Jethi. Jethy.
Jethi. Appearing on behalf of Mitali Justi. Submit fact. The matter has been infructuous. No instruction.
No instruction.
There is no instruction given. I despite best efforts.
My lord, appearance for the bank, my lord.
Bank. Great. Next.
Item number 8.
May I please, Banos. The Shifa, Institute of Indian Council of Agricultural Research,
Yes.
is a petitioner. This is with regards to the demand of the EPF dues, my lord. Under Annexure 1, my lord, this institute covered in the year 2001, and accordingly, my lord, demand of rupees.
But this issue is EPF is required. I think their GPF must be there. It's a government issue.
Now they have got GPF. That is the argument on behalf of the institute that since they were getting GPF, they will not get it. And some of them have also,
obviously.
some of them have also mentioned that we are not interested for EPF. However, my lord, the order has been passed under Annexure 1. Under Annexure 1, your lordship will find that they have covered Annex page 13.
Page 13.
My lord, page 13, paragraph 1. Your factory establishment, my lord got it. Your factory establishment with all its branches and department, if any, brought within the purview of the Employees Provident Fund, Miscellaneous Provident 950, and the scheme framed thereunder with effect from 6/10/2001, my lord. However, my
So
lord,
the people were brought to the GPF fold when
now all have got. But at that time, there was some dispute. What happened, my lord? The association, they moved that some of them have entered into service in the year 91 and onwards. Thereafter, my lord, they have demanded 10 lakhs. In spite of that, we have challenged that. And 10 lakhs, 58,988, we have challenged. And this Hon'Ble High Court, under Annexure 11, had set aside the matter, saying that since they are come, the GPF scheme within 2001, you cannot say that 91 they will claim. Anyhow, my lord, they have asked the department, this institute, to file a review application. That review application under and also directed that out of 10 lakhs 58,000, you deposit 10 lakhs. That has been deposited and we filed the review. Review has been,
you deposited 10 lakhs.
yes, ma'am.
It is pending before?
Assistant Commissioner, they have also passed
That amount
order.
is there.
Annexure 9, they have rejected the review with a scriptic order that is under challenge, my lord. Of course, my lord, this was in the year 2012. Thereafter, it has not been listed. I do not know what is the development, but anyhow, my lord, he has deposited, the institute has deposited 10 lakhs.
Anyway, Mr.
I'll
Mahanti, I think.
No, see, କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଗଲେ ଆମେ appeal. Suppose let notice go, I requested, if your lordship will say, then I have talked with Bimbisar Das. Bimbisar Das, Mr. Bimbisar Das said, if this Honorable High Court will direct, then only he will act. I will serve copy of Bimbisar Das.
Issue notice, since it is a matter pertaining to year 2012. In the meantime, councils have changed. Councils have been changed. Also, accordingly, let notice be, a fresh notice be issued to the opposite party.
1 and 2 both.
1 and 2. Mr. Bimbisar Das, who usually appears on behalf of the EPF Commissioner, may be served a copy to appear to take instruction in this matter. This is the matter on 20th March. Give a copy today.
I will just today.
Next.
Item number 9.
9.
Item number 9, my lord, I am appearing for petitioner, my lord, no instruction.
No instruction. That's 10.
Item number 10.
10
Withdraw.
11.
10. Item 11.
11. Non appears.
I am for the bank, my lord. Let it come on cap, I will take instruction.
Let's see who is the petitioner here. नहीं लागी नहीं मुझे 17 पर है लागी नहीं
La lagi.
मैंने okay. Non appears for the petitioner. List the matter on 20, 28, 28, 29th. 29. Mr. Mahapatra appears for the bank. SBI. Next.
Item number 12.
Well, I'm saying for a possible.
12.
Well.
Okay, possible. 13.
13.
Sir, approve का सुनो आंटी.
I sent a copy to the branch. The BM is suggesting due to some test problem.
Take it
Yeah,
13.
substituting or the new employment. Let me see. Given 2 weeks time, it is structured. The question is holding of a deposited amount in his account. He has deposited the check of rupees 9 point some lakhs. And we are ready and we are consulting with the concerned RBO, Decana, to release the amount. Okay, the week hold time to without note.
Learn concept for the bank.
Sir.
For SBI. SBI.
Yes, come on.
You're for SBI, na?
SBI.
You're for SBI?
Yes, SBI.
Okay. 6 2 weeks time to take instruction in the matter since it's a let's the matter on 14th March. 14th. Next.
Item 14.
14th.
The petitioner had taken a house building loan of about 12 lakhs. Sale notice, your lordship, I will take at page 18 of the brief. Page 18. The terms and condition of sale of immovable secured assets. Column number 7. The secured debt for the recovery of which immovable secured asset is to be sold. 11 lakhs 30,433.59. For this amount, I made an application to the bank. Let there be a one-time settlement. But they are not taking any steps. But I humbly submit only.
Which bank? Union Bank.
Union Bank. But I only submit. If your lordship allow me 1 month or maximum 2 months time, I will sell some of my property. I will repay the entire amount in respect of this house building loan.
When is the
Milord,
when is the auction date? When is the auction date?
Milord, auction has
No.
failed.
Failed.
Where, the person petitioner has also sold out some property to during the subsistence of the mortgage, Milord.
So the mortgage property
Yes,
sold out.
this mortgage.
But after the surface is invoked, this
Yes,
should
yes,
go to
that-
the other bank.
Yes, no, that is the one part. But here his prayer is a one-time settlement. Bank is also not agreed.
If the
reason
bank
being-
is
the
not,
reason being, my lord, the reason being, because
security property he has just sold out. So how that money will be recovered?
The
So
entire
the-
money,
he
the
only
entire
pays
money I will
settlement,
prepare, I will pay the
settlement-
entire money.
settlement. Sir, my lord, settlement,
Suppose he pays the entire amount.
Entire amount.
entire dues.
Yes.
Sir, entire dues if he pays,
Yes.
when he has sold or what, how does it matter? You are getting your money, you
Yes,
go.
my lord, the reason being that that property is a mortgage to other loan also. He has availed 4 loans.
Sir, just a minute.
Security is one.
Oh, 4 loans.
That is the sir, this-
Total,
this
this is one loan.
Then-
First of all, it should go to them.
Your lord-
Surface ಎಲ್ಲ ಪರ
Sir,
ಇರ್ತಾನೆ
sir.
ସେପଟେ ପଡିବ
No, surfacing,
surface ନହେଲେ ସେଲ୍ କେମିତି ହେଲା
my, only one,
Sir, surface
your lordship,
that's
only
fine.
one thing.
Hmm.
My application under annexure 2 is pending with the bank. Let the bank
ଆରେ
pass the
sir
order.
ଏ annexure business ଛାଡ଼ନ୍ତୁ
One time
No, that-
settlement, one time
we are not
settlement
agreed.
ସେମାନେ
application.
କରିବେନି sir
We are
ମୋଟେ
not
କରିବେନି
agreed. I have taken-
since you have sold the property during the subsistence of the loan how can they will consider your
So
application
that sub-register also allowed
It
him
not been
to
true
execute
In
the,
fact,
sir.
in fact, the mortgage property is, in respect of one khata, there are 5 properties. But the land upon which the construction has been made, that has not been sold. They have never intimated to the petitioner that all these properties has been,
sir first of all let me tell you let it go to the concerned bench it's not
Yes, my lord.
not for me to
obliged,
decide.
your lordship.
Since the matter pertaining to the surfacing these matters the first be placed before the bench that will be placed before the justice to next
Item number 16.
16 attempt
Already I have a consultant already filed my.
who is the new person
My lord, I-
who is the contender
My
what
lord,
happened you have any
Ramesh Hajra IS. Newly.
Hajra ପୁରା ନାଁ ଥିବ ନା ହାଜରା ଗୋଟେ କଣ
Mr.
Ramashish Hajra.
Huh?
Mr. Ramashish Hajra.
Hajra
Right.
so okay
I'll take instruction, but so far as instruction available with me, my lord, your lordship has directed the contemner to take action against the petitioner. That is with regard to shifting of the poultry farm to the other place, my lord. The contemner has already, after petitioner has approached the contemner after considering the representation of the petitioner, he has already informed the collector to take action because the contemner has no.
petitioner
Man, I am the petitioner.
Because-
କାଇଁ ଏତେ over jealous ହଉଛନ୍ତି
No, no, no.
over jealous ନା
Because the contemner has no authority to shift it, my lord. It has to be shifted by the collector.
okay
The contemner has already informed the collector.
since Lord Council the state submit that since the contemner has already intimated the issue in question to the concerned collector for taking
Collector
action.
Puri, my lord.
Collector Puri for taking action against the polluting poultry farm, polluting unit. Against the sorry, polluting poultry farm. Since the contemner has no authority to pass any order against the poultry farm, and it has to be done through the collector, concerned collector. Hence, no contempt is made out, number one. The collector Puri shall take action as per the direction by the contemner within a period of 2 months from today.
Your lordship, direction may not be a appropriate word by the contemner, my lord. Collector Puri should consider the.
Consider the. No. Honorable final. ঠিক আছে ডিরেকশন আছে কোন ডিরেকশন দেব না হায়ার অথরিটি কোন দি ডিরেকশন দেব না কোন রিকোয়েস্ট করবে তো ঠিক আছে চলো ডিসপোজ অফ
Okay.
no
It's free copy of the order so that I can communicate it to the collector.
copy of the order next 17
Item 17.
My lord, this is relating to loan of Odisha Rural Housing Development Corporation. 50,000 loan ନେଇଥିଲେ ସେଟା batch case ଗୋଟେ 11 ତାରିଖ କି ଅଛି। No coercive action.
Rural notice ଦେଇଛି?
No, first time this is first.
Okay, issue notice to the opposite parties. And let the matter be listed. First time କେମିତି ଆଗରୁ ଲାଗିଥିଲା ନା?
ଆଗରୁ ଏଟା ଲାଗିନି ଅନ୍ୟ ମାନଙ୍କର ଲାଗିଥିଲା।
Since matters relate to recovery of amount rural, okay, assigned bench, okay. ठीक है, ठीक है। Assigned bench. There will be issue notice to the opposite party. Not consider the petitioner to take step to serve copy through registered post.
My lord.
Registered post. And let the matter be listed along with the batch of matters listed on which date?
11th.
11th. Next.
No coercive action to be taken.
No coercive action.
Same matter. Next is the
Still
same.
the next section. Next, Sam.
Item 19.
19.
Item 19, my lord. I have filed the additional affidavit with regard to my lordship has directed to file the map. I have filed the 2 maps in my additional affidavit. My deed application with regard to delete the municipal area from the open cast mining, my lord. Lordship, I have last time draw your lordship's attention to the areas, my lord, and in the map also, my lord, 3 areas, my lord. Just have a glance to the affidavit, my lord. In paragraph 4, my lord. Paragraph 4 of the last line, my lord, that Belpahar municipalities has 19 wards and localities. It includes Machbahal and the 3 mainly Singhiwal, Khadiapada and Dhaurmunda. These 3 locality of Belpahar municipality adjoining to railway line is coming under the Kuraloi North Pole block, my lord. In the map, my lord, in the first map, it is, my lord, it is Khariapada, my lord. In the second map, my lord, in the top of the map, my lord, Dhauramunda, and my lord, it is.
Okay, issue notice.
My lord.
Lord, transfer the petitioner, submit that. The petitioner challenges the open cast mining in urban areas in Belpahar municipality, as well as the adjoining villages. He further submits that the government of India has granted a coal block of 965.58 hectare to Messrs Vedanta Limited for production of 8 MTPA of coal through open cast mining, which is likely to cause serious environmental problems, especially to the inhabitants of Belpahar municipalities. He further submits that the people of village Kanaktura. Kanaktura?
My lord, people of village, my lord, Khadiapada, Dhaurmunda, and Singhimal.
Khadiapada?
Dhaurmunda.
Spelling?
Dhaura.
Dhaurmunda.
Dhaurmunda.
Dhaurmunda
And Singhimal.
Singhimal.
These 3, my lord, with regard to the map.
These 3 villages are likely to suffer hugely because of the proposed
Kuraloi.
Colliery. So what is, what are you challenging there?
My lord, to delete these areas, my lord, because
he further submit that if these areas are not deleted from the list of the proposed areas for the collieries, the people of the area, people of the villages will suffer humongous health hazards as well as other problems. Hence, answer. He further submit that the decision to allow open coal mining in urban areas will create serious pollution issues in the entire municipality. In the pollution over the whole municipality. The petitioner further says, contends that the objection. Have you made objection before?
We have made a representation under Annex 3. They have, my lord, they have not gone into the representation with detailed perspective.
Before whom?
Before the Ministry of Environment and the Mines, my lord.
He has further submitted that though the petitioner has submitted a representation before the Ministry of Sir, ये जो लेखन ना true copy of representation dated so and so before whom लिखिबेनी code आपनकर पूरा you index रे पूरा clearly लिखा है बता copy of so and so letter so and so dated so and so given to ministry or whatever लिखिबेनी पूरा जहाँ shortcut खाली shortcut
body rate लिख
body रे लिखले ऊपर लिखिबेनी क्या ଆପଣ ବଡିରେ ଯୋଉ ଆପଣ ତାହେଲେ ବଡି ରେ ଯୋଉଟା ଲେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ସେଟା ଜଣେ ଉପରେ ଯୋଉଟା ପାଇବ କଣ ବଡି କଣ ଖୋଜିଯିବ since you are writing for the court you should make it more comfortable rather than ଖୋଜି ଖାଲି ଇଆଡୁ ସାଡୁ here and has not been is still pending, no action has been taken. In such view of the matter, let notice be issued to the opposite party. 1, 2, 3. Government of India, Union of India through Ministry of Environment Forest in the There is nothing like Government of India. Court language is Union of India. 4 by registered post.
I will accept on behalf of OP 5.
4, 5 and 6.
5 only.
5. 6. So notice also Mr. Misra, who has a notice on behalf of 5. This is the matter. April 2nd.
All right.
Next.
Item number 20.
May I please, Millers? Petitioner purchased a truck Millers by taking loan from the Tata Finance Motor Limited Millers, and wherein Millers 59 installment has been fixed Millers. Out of 59 till date, I have paid 52 installment. On 16/12 Millers, 16/12 they have took away my vehicle forcefully Millers. Therefore, I have made an advocate.
When?
16/2 they have shown at 21.
Sir, 16/2 को year
23.
कोई भी ना 16/2 लगानी
16/12/23 Millers. They have took away my vehicles and shown it 21/12/2023 Millers.
They sold it.
Not sold, and RTO has given a notice to change the ownership because they have taken possession of my vehicle Millers. I am ready to pay amounts Millers.
Ready to pay जो tab बजाउछिंदी ना पूरा ठीक भाभी चिंती के बजांती.
Your lordship see that
ready and willing to pay. Good tab. They
have showing that 13 lakhs, but your lordship see that page 23. Your lordship can have 23 till date Miller 17 lakhs 53.
Pay the whole amount. You are ready.
Miller, no. Millers, I have given Millers 1 lakh 16 lakhs 51,000. Overdue only 1,78,157.
Overdue the regularize कर दें.
मैं दे देंगे.
You should not. Mr. RC Panigrahi, I think.
RC Panigrahi, I have given copy to them.
You given?
Yes.
This matter. First, no, not a place for Tata Motors. Open number कितने ना?
Open number 1.
Number 1. Let Mr. Let the matter be 1st March.
Well, not to transfer my vehicle in any other party.
The transfer is it?
ନା ହେଇନି ନୋଟିସ୍ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଏବେ 22
Process has been initiated.
22 ରେ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି।
In the meantime, the vehicle and the ownership of the vehicle shall not be transferred to any third party. Give a copy to Mr. Mr. Prabhakar Behera, who learning counsel for the regional transport office. Waves of notice on behalf of OP number two. Okay, yes, 1st March. Just remind him.
I was
Remind
given
Mr.
extra
Panigrahi.
copy.
Yes, next.
Right now given the extra copy.
Nani, Mr. Panigrahi ko diyantu. Next.
Item 21.
May I lordship, please? I am on behalf of Kuresh Prasad Das, my lord. My lord, kindly taken up next week because he is ill, my lord.
Old matter, 2015 matter. 5th, 6th, 7th March.
May I am for the opposite party number 5, my lord. The noting time may be cut. I have appeared on in a dispose of case, my lord. But there is noting that I have appeared without taking consent, lordship. My name may be reflected in the list, my lord.
Bajanti Mohanty. Your name will be
My lord.
name of your name is not there.
No, your name is not there, but noting is there I have appeared in a dispose of case without taking consent of the previous councillors.
Okay, her name may be deleted. Bajanti Mohanty. Okay, next.
Let's say 5th March, lordship.
No, 7th March.
Okay.
Item 22.
22.
My lordship. Last in lordship, call for the status of the trial, your lordship, that is flag X. The period of detention is more than 3.5 years.
3.5 years. Kौन करेंगे अपन?
Report 376D. Here so far, Annexure 1 is the affair filed by the present father of the present victim. And the Annexure 4, your lordship, self-same allegation in 2021. Her uncle has lodged against another person for self-same allegation of 376, your lordship.
I don't understand what is that self-same allegation. What is that?
Initially, Annexure 1 is
clarify, sir. Annexure what part धरिबे ना एमदी mistake हबो. Be clear on the fact. Don't go by annexure. Annexure word, I hate this word. By annexure. Annexure खाली एटी देखिया पई. Not to argument by annexure पई नु. An argument बोले पूरा annexure कौन अछि पूरा कहबे अपन. हां. Annexure OP कौन एटा OP कभी कहबे.
Yes, sir.
कौन है जी मूलरू कोन?
से झियोर फादर 2020 रे एफआईआर देले जे जेतेबेले से घरे नथिले बाहर को जाइतले सौदा किनिया पाई सेतेबेले देखियो आसी घरे पहुंचले जे लाइट ऑफ अछि तांको झियो नाही किंतु साउंड सुनिले किछि बाडी पटे तांकर रे जे
24
in 24 I am appearing for OP number 3.
OP number 3 के सर नाटा कहंतु दयागरी सब आपण को ना काहे पचारिबो आपण ना लिखाई जेडी ओपी नंबर 3 किछि के कहबेनी
ओडिशा कोऑपरेटिव
हां कहबे ना ओपी नंबर 4 ओडिशा कोऑपरेटिव कहबे ना खाली ओपी नंबर 4 बोले चुपचाप बस गेले मु तळ को काहे खोजी जीबी आपण स्ट्रेट कहबे ओपी नंबर 4 यस आपण कोन कोन
What I in the during pendency of this writ mallet, I have filed one IA mallet 19608 of 2023. These are the developments in the meantime. What I pray mallet that presently that MD for which my Lord senior is appearing, he is not in place. No one is.
कौन केस ता कोन कोंदु सर
mallet
केस कोन आला कोंदु
mallet an order was passed in 2001.
Sir, case story कहबे नी order was passed in 2001. तो पजल कोन हला अगर मूलरू starting.
Yeah. He was his promotion was he was not.
What was he doing? What the problem? मूलरू कहंतु कोन एंदी करछन मु जानि Who was he? He's बेले कोन हेडा आगरु सब बेले गोटे आगरु ना गां से तार प्रोनाउन होची हिज तो आगरु नाडा न कहि हिज कहले किंदी जानिबी मु ग्रामर बेसिक रूल
mallet chief management in charge of Odisha Cooperative Housing Corporation, considering the representation of the petitioner, allowed him, man, he was designated as junior clerk.
आगे आपण मुंडिया मारसी आपण दया करी स्टार्टिंग
mallet his juniors were promoted.
Who was he? What was
his juniors were promoted?
Who was he? What was he doing? His juniors were promotion. किसी कोई भी नहीं कोड काम करतला को पोस्ट थिला तार जूनियर माने को पे प्रमोशन तांको दिया सब कहबे ना आरंभ कर एई स्टाइल रे डेवलप करंतु समस्त कौन बोला सिर्फ सीधा आधार पाटर
Petitioner was appointed as junior clerk.
हाँ एटा होते
Junior
right
clerk.
way हेटा तो सेते करिवे
And he was promoted to the post of supervisor on 31/8/1988.
1988 okay
There was one gradation list which
Hmm.
was published on 19/10/2002, where his juniors were given promotion.
to which post promotion to which post
Request gradation list prepared.
आज्ञा प्रिपेयर एग्रा सुन दी आसु प्लीज कम प्रिपेयर काली आसु लोग सुन आउथरे फाइल पढु नाती सीधा पळे आसु गां गां
Malord, may I submit?
आपण किसी सबमिट करू से आगे सबमिट करू
No, most say Today the matter has come for orders on the miscase.
से सब मु किसी जाने नहीं से मते केस बुझेबे मु बुझिबी ऑर्डर पास करबी आ को 3 पई आसिला आई एम लिस्ट बदर आई एम हियर टू फिनिश द मैटर not to
I will to submit that 2 weeks time may be kind
Bill-
miscase I can
এটা already dispose of
narrating some subsequent cause of action this miscase has been filed.
पहला मिसकेस तो पहला कौन आइला नरेटिंग सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देता पे आपको को 2 हफ्ता टाइम दरकार मो
को निश्चित एटा कॉर्पोरेशन नो
को हला कॉर्पोरेशन कोन आइला आप टाइम इंस्ट्रक्शन नियंतु मु 4th रे फिक्स करछि 4th मार्च आपण आसंतु आ प्रिपेयर करी नोट धरि आसंतु गिव ए नोट शॉर्टकट क्लियर कट नोट सर यदि क्लियर तो करू नांती नोट भी दउ नांती ଗୋଟେ ମ୍ୟାଟର ଭଲ କି ପଢିକି ଫ୍ଲାଗ କୋଉଠି ଆପଣ ଫ୍ଲାଗ ମାର୍କ ଟେ କୋଉଠି ଅଛି ଏଇ ଫ୍ଲାଗ ମାର୍କ ଅଛି କୋଉଠି ଗୋଟେ ନାହିଁ ଖାଲି ଆଇଲେ ଏଠି ଦେଖି ଏଠି ଏଠି yes non appears today also non appears Nine to 2 next
Item 26 is in
26
27,
26 same order 28
28 is in
yes same order 29
29.
During this case, minutes, I have filed an IA for early date of hearing, minutes. I have filed an IA for early date of
एटा कौन से आज लागी छी तो
IA today.
अर्ली डेट ऑफ हियरिंग कोठी
I filed an IA miscase for early date of hearing, minutes.
अरे सर कोठी अर्ली डेट ऑफ हियरिंग
Before this only.
एटा लागी छी तो आज
Yes, but I'll file a short date chat, minutes.
अर्ली डेट ऑफ हियरिंग कहि छ आपण शॉर्ट डेट बिल्कुल आज हियरिंग हो एबे हियरिंग
After lunch.
नाइ नथिंग
After lunch.
आफ्टर लंच अर्ली डेट ऑफ हियरिंग फाइल करी रेडी हेबा कथा न आपण
It's already there. I will file some correction and
ओके
after lunch.
ओके आफ्टर लंच
I pray, my lord. I pray the matter to be taken up tomorrow, my lord.
Thank you.
In fact, looking, I have today is a Thursday. I didn't know the lordship's takes up. I also I need to go through that tomorrow, my lord. I pray tomorrow.
Okay 29 next
Item 30.
30
disposal case, my lord has disposed the matter with a direction to the bank to settle the loan account in respect of one account, but the facts remain the property in question is also extended to other 3 loan accounts. So accordingly, if you will settle the accounts, so he has to settle all the 4 accounts. That is for that reason we have
what is the IA for
my lord, IA for modification of the order. My lord has disposed of the writ petition on 7/11/2023 to settle the loan account by paying 25% of the outstanding in respect of one loan account. So when the party approached in obedience of the my lord's order, then bank has also given a letter to the party that this property is in mortgaged to other loan accounts also. So you have to settle all the accounts.
so you say what do you want
My lord, the settlement, the petitioner will settle all the accounts.
okay
This.
then consider the petitioner what is the IA
I am, my lord, 19102 of 2023.
and consider the bank submit that the this court had disposed of the writ petition filed earlier by the same petitioner BD order dated 7/11/2023 with the direction to the petitioner to approach the OP bank the plus the present applicant with a fresh and detailed OTS proposal by paying 25% of the outstanding due by way of a representation. In such event, the the opposite party bank shall consider the OTS proposal, if any, and dispose of the same in accordance with the law within a period of 1 month from the date of submission of the proposal. The bank, however, submits that
After a disposal, my lord's order, the party also approached to the bank by submitting an
after
representation.
disposal of the order by this court, the party approached the bank.
My lord.
Tapre?
Thereafter, the bank has also issued a reply on 21st/11/2023.
Then what happened?
My lord, all accounts, he will settle all the accounts in obedience of our letter dated 21/11/2023.
So,
because
that in the instant case, the petitioner had availed other credit facilities also from the same bank, and the details are as follows. Paragraph 4 सब detail कर दो है 4 को ऊपर quote कर दो है paragraph 4. The petitioner intends to settle the loan account in respect of the loan of rupees 75 lakh, which is a housing loan, but quote करा पड़ता है. But she is not interested to settle the other business loan account. Since all the loans account has become NPA, the petitioner has to settle all the loan accounts as the mortgage is common for all the loan accounts. The policy of Reserve Bank of India, which is the money market regulator, has with respect to the NPA classification is very clear. It is always borrower wise and not in account wise. Full stop. Hence, the bank prays for an appropriate order by modifying the order dated 7/11/2023 with a direction to the petitioner to settle all the loan accounts as stated in paragraph 4, 1, 2, 3. 4, 2, 3. For recovering the bank's dues in the best interest of the justice and equity. Accordingly, the order passed on 7/11/2023 is modified to the modified that the petitioner to modified to the extent that the petitioner to settle seek the settlement of loan account with the bank as stated above in paragraph 4, 1, 2, 3. According to this way. Next.
Item 31. Lord, 31, my lord, the complainant, the opposite party's address could not be found out by the petitioner. So I pray, my lords, for your lordship may direct for paper publication.
Okay. Learned concept of the petitioner seeks directions from this court to have paper publication since the address is not found. According to the petitioner is granted to go in for paper publication within 15 days from today.
15 days.
Okay.
Lord, interim order.
Interim order continue. Okay. Short break.
Short break.
Okay. The Panji.
Liquidate late financial acceptable notice.
Next.
Interim or to contact.
Interim to contact. Next.
Right.
Item 33.
Process for listing.
May I please, your lordship?
Immediately. To after verify.
My lord, I have prepared a short note on this case.
33.
My lord.
33. What is the issue?
There is a delay, my lord.
Kete?
There is delay of 30 odd days,
36 days, my lord.
36. Delay kando. Yeah.
My lord, this revision petition is preferred against the order of a conviction and sentence passed by the learned assistant session judge, special track court Noagar, which is a
This is good. Every council should prepare a short note. That helps a lot. Petition everybody will appreciate this. ଆଉ ଇଏ ଆସିକିରି ମୁଣ୍ଡ କୁଣ୍ଡେଇବ କିଏ କଣ କିଛି ନାହିଁ
allegation of the complainant is that this case arises from a complaint case. In her complaint, the complainant alleged that before the filing of a complaint, she has been the convict petitioner kept
Petitioner challenge of dismissal and also order of the appellate authority, my lord. Petitioner was a constable. While he was continuing, he became illness and mental disorder, my lord, which is within the knowledge of the opposite party, my lord. Despite that, the order of punishment has been issued for unauthorized absence.
Unauthorized absence for how many years?
For 2008 or 2010 order passed.
8 to 10.
My
You are in which service? CRF,
my constable, my lord, BSF.
CRPF,
BSF.
BSF.
Constable.
Discipline soldier organization एमती organization रे आपण 2 वर्ष बिना जणे कि
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ଜଣେ ତାର knowledge ବି ଅଛି ଯେ ମୁଁ mental disorder
knowledge
treatment
रे
ହଉଛି।
को document ରେ ଥିବ ନା
ନାଇଁ ତାଙ୍କ knowledge
କାମ ନାହିଁ କାହାକୁ ଜଣେଥିଲେ କେମିତି
ନାଇଁ ସିଏ
ଜଣେଥିଲେ
ବି ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି ପୁରା
କେମିତି ଜଣେଥିଲେ
ସେ order ରେ କରିଛନ୍ତି ମାଇଲ
ହାଁ
order ଯୋଉ କରିଛନ୍ତି ସେ ଦେହରେ ଅଛି ଯେ ତାଙ୍କ ବାପା ପଠଉଛନ୍ତି ତା ଦେହ ଭଲ ନାହିଁ ଆଉ mental disorder document ପଠଉଛନ୍ତି ସବୁ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ verification କଲେ ବି ତାଙ୍କ ମେଡିକାଲ
କୋଉଠି ଆପଣଙ୍କର application ଟା ମତେ ଟିକେ ଦେଖିଲି ଆଗ
ମୁଁ ଆନ୍ସର କରିଛି ମାଇଲ
କୋଉଠି
এই পেজ 15 রে পেজ 15 পেଜ 16 এটা ସବୁ ଦେଇଛି
ଏମିତି ନାହିଁ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଗୋଟେ
পেজ 15
ଏମିତି casually ଯାଅ
ମାଇଲ
page 15
ମାଇଲ
With due respect, I beg to state that my son Vikas Kumar Jana, constable, he is still suffering from mental problem and undergoing treatment. Therefore, request you to kindly extend his leave.
टाइम ଦଉଛି
Prime time नहीं first time केवे देले ठीक है first time ଟା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ତୁ କଣ
ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଟାଇମ ରେ ମାଇଲ
କାଇଁ ବାପା କାଇଁ ଲେଖୁଛି ସେ ଲେଖି ପାରୁନ ପୁଅ
ପୁଅ ମେଣ୍ଟାଲ ହେଇଯାଇଛି ତାପରେ ରିକଭରି ହେଇକି ଏବେ ଭଲ ପୁରା ହେଇଯାଇଛି ସେ ବି ରିଇନଷ୍ଟେଟ୍ ପାଇଁ ଦେଲା ରିଇନଷ୍ଟେଟ୍ ଦେଲା ପରେ ଏଇଟା ରିଜେକ୍ସନ କରିଛନ୍ତି ସେ
କଣ
ଏବେ ପୁରା ଭଲ ପୁରା
ପନିଶମେଣ୍ଟ କଣ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
ଡିସମିସାଲ ରେ ସେ ଡିସପ୍ରପୋର୍ସନେଟ ଖାଲି ଡିସମିସାଲ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କ ନଲେଜ ସେ ବି ଟ୍ରିଟମେଣ୍ଟ କଲେ ମେଡିକାଲ ହସ୍ପିଟାଲ ଟ୍ରିଟମେଣ୍ଟ କଲେ ସେ କହିଲେ ଯେ ହଁ ତାର ମେଣ୍ଟାଲ ହେଇଛି ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ବି ଭଲ ଅଛି ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କ ଇଏ ଅର୍ଡରରେ ବି ସେଇଟା ଆର ଡେଟ୍ ବି ଆବସେଣ୍ଟ ଥିଲେ ଏଥର ବି ଆବସେଣ୍ଟ ଅଛନ୍ତି ୟୁନିୟନ ଅଫ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ DSCGI ଗୋଟେ ନେକ୍ସଟ ଡେଟ୍ ଆସିବ ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଇନଫର୍ମ କରି 2ଟା ଡେଟ୍ ନନ୍ ଆଇପର ହେଲାଣି
ଡିସିପ୍ଲିନ ସୋରେ ମେଣ୍ଟାଲ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ କେମିତି
ନାଇଁ ଏବେ ପୁରା ପୁରା ଓକେ ପୁରା କ୍ଲିୟର ଟେଷ୍ଟ କରିଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କ
ଆପଣ ବୋର୍ଡର ଇଏରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ବୋର୍ଡର ସିକ୍ୟୁରିଟି ଫୋର୍ସ ରେ
ନାଇଁ ଏବେ
ଆଉ ଆପଣ ସେଥିରେ
ସେଇଟା କଣ ତାର ହେଇଥିଲା 2 ବର୍ଷ ପାଇଁ
ଆପଣ କେମିତି
ନାଇଁ 2 ବର୍ଷ ପାଇଁ ମାଇଲ କଣ ତାର ହେଇଥିଲା ଏବେ ପୁରା ପୁରା ଫିଟ୍ ପୁରା
ଏବେ ପୁରା ଆପଣ ମେଣ୍ଟାଲ ଇଲନେସ ର କିଛି ଏମିତି କିଛି କହିହବନି ଏବେ ମେଡିସିନ ଖାଉଥିବା ଠିକ ଥିବେ ହଠାତ୍ ମେଡିସିନ କମ କଣ ହେଇଯିବେ ଆପଣ ଅଲଗା ଅର୍ଗାନାଇଜେସନ ହେଲେ ଅଲଗା କଥା ପିଅନ ଚପରାସୀ ନୁହନ୍ତି ନା ଭାଇ ବୋର୍ଡର ସେଠି ବନ୍ଧୁକ ଧରିକି ଛିଡା ହେବେ ସେଠି
ତାକୁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କଣ ହେଲେ ଆଡଜଷ୍ଟ କରିବେ ସେଇ ଇଏରେ ତାର ବି ଡିଜାବିଲିଟି ଇଏରେ ଯେହେତୁ ଅଛି
ଉପରେ ନା
ସେଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ଡିସପ୍ରପୋର୍ସନେଟ
ଡିଜାବିଲିଟି କଣ ଡିଜାବିଲିଟି ଅଛି
ନାଇଁ ଭଲ ହେଇଗଲାଣି ନା
ଡିଜାବିଲିଟି କଣ କହିଲେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ
ନାଇଁ ଯେହେତୁ ଏ ଟାଇମରେ ଇଏ ହେଲା
ଫିଜିକାଲ ଡିଜାବିଲିଟି ପାଇଁ ରିହାବିଲିଟେସନ ଅଛି ମେଣ୍ଟାଲ ଡିଜାବିଲିଟି
ନାଇଁ ଡିସପ୍ରପୋର୍ସନେଟ ଯୋଉ ଡିସମିସାଲ କରିଛନ୍ତି ସେଇଟା ପାଇଁ କଣ ଗୋଟେ କରିବା ଏଇଟା ୟଙ୍ଗ ଟୋକାରେ 32 ବର୍ଷ ଜମା ହେଇଛି ପୁଣି
ସାର୍ ଆପଣ କୋଉ ପୋଷ୍ଟରେ ରଖିପାରିବେନି ସେମାନେ
ଅଲଗା କଣ ଡିସପ୍ରପୋର୍ସନ ଅଲଗା
କେତେ ବର୍ଷ ଆପଣ କାମ କରିଛନ୍ତି
ମୁଁ 2002 ରୁ କାମ କଲି 2010 ରେ 8 ବର୍ଷ 8 ବର୍ଷ
ଆପଣ ଏଲିଜିବଲ କେତେ ଆରେ ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ଟିକେ ଏ ଯୋଉ ଭିଆରଏସ୍ ପାଇଁ କେବେ ଏଲିଜିବଲ ହେବେ କେତେ ବର୍ଷ ପରେ ହୁଅନ୍ତି
VRS ହେଇପାରିବନି because what he has done during 8 years only he has worked for 4 years only.
ହବନି
Thereafter my lord
କଣ କରିବେ ଆପଣ ତ କିଛି କରିହେବନି ସାର୍
he has taken on leave continuously.
କିଛି କରିହେବନି
Continuously he has taken in
you
spite
are in
of
a discipline organization sir in that organization this can't be allowed and this is mental illness this can I'm not saying that that happens with anybody you can never know but the thing is organization କଣ ଦେଖିବ organization ଦେଖିବ ଆପଣ କେତେ ତା ପାଇଁ ୟୁଜଫୁଲ ଅଛନ୍ତି ପଇସା ଦଉଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ହଁ ପଇସା ଦଉଛି and they give you so many other benefits everything is there but if you are not mentally fit to work in the organization they are bound to do that 4 ବର୍ଷରେ ଆପଣ VRS ସ୍କିମ୍ ଲାଗିବ ହେବନି 10 years complete କରିଦେଲା VRS ଫେରେସ୍ କ'ଣ ଗୋଟେ consider କରିଥାନ୍ତି ସେଇଟା
8 year 9 months 9 days.
ଆପଣ 8
and
year
he had
4 year
over-
କାମ କରିଥିଲେ 4 year କାମ
and he has
ସେ ମୋର
overpaid for
ଇଏ
a state
ରହିଲା ଏବେ ପୁରା
4 ବର୍ଷ 18 ଦିନ।
କିଛି କରିହେବନି ଆପଣ ପାଇଁ।
ଦେଖି ଆସୁନି ମୁଁ ତାକୁ ପଚାରି କ'ଣ ସେ ଆସୁଛି ବାରମ୍ବାର କ'ଣ କରିହବ ଦେଖି ତାଙ୍କୁ କ'ଣ ଅଛି ଡିପାର୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ ପଚାରି
ଡିପାର୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ ସେଥିରେ କହିବେ ସେ କ'ଣ କରିହେବ ସେ କହିବେ।
କ'ଣ ସେଇଟା ମାନେ ଏଇଟା ଡିସପ୍ରୋଫେସନାଲ ମାଇଲର ତାଙ୍କ ନଲେଜ
ଡିସପ୍ରୋଫେସନାଲ ହେଲା ସାର୍ ବିଲକୁଲ ଡିସପ୍ରୋଫେସନାଲ ନୁହେଁ ମୁଁ ତ କହିବି ଡିସପ୍ରୋଫେସନାଲ ବିଲକୁଲ ନୁହେଁ।
ମୁଣ୍ଡ ଖରାପ ହେଇଗଲା
ମୁଣ୍ଡ ଖରାପ ହେଇଗଲେ ତ କେମିତି କାମ କରିବେ? ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ ନଟ୍ ତାପରେ
ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ମେଣ୍ଟାଲ ଯୋଉ ଏଇଟା ଏବେ 10 ବର୍ଷ ହେଲାଣି ଭଲ ପୁରା ହେଇସାରିଲାଣି 14 ବର୍ଷ ହେଲାଣି ଭଲ ହେଇଗଲାଣି ଆଉ କିଛି କେବେ ବି ବାହାରିନି କେବେ ବି ତା ମୁଣ୍ଡ ଆଉ ବାହାରିନି 14 ବର୍ଷ ହେଲାଣି।
That they have to consider.
2010 ରେ dismiss ହେଲା ତା ଦେହ ଭଲ ହେଇଗଲା।
13 ବର୍ଷ ପରେ ଏବେ କଣଟା କରିବି ମୁଁ?
ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଆନେଶ୍ଵର କରିଯିବି ତାପରେ
2011
କିଛି ବାହାରିନି ମୁଣ୍ଡ ଏପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ
କିଛି କରିହେବନି। give me note of submission both of you give me ଆଉ ଆସୁ ହସୁନି ଖତମ କର।
ନାଇଁ
ଆଉ ଆସିବନି
ନୋଟ ଦେ
no written note ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ both of you give me written note bye I am fixing it for 4th for written note ହେଲା both of you finish it unnecessary କ'ଣ ହବ କିଛି ହବନି।
କିଛି ନାହିଁ।
Disproportionate ନୁହେଁ they will not do that generally they don't do unless you do something ଆପଣ ଟୋଟାଲ ଏତେ 12 ବର୍ଷ ପରେ ଏବେ କୋଉଠି ନେଇକି କୋଉଠି ରଖିବେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ?
Personal hearing
ଆପଣ କ'ଣ କାମ କରିଥିଲେ 4 ବର୍ଷ ଛାଡି ଭୁଲି ସାରିଥିବେ ବନ୍ଧୁକ ଧରିବାଟା ଭୁଲି ଯାଇଥିବେ ବନ୍ଧୁକ ଆପଣ ଧରି 4 ଥର ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ମାର ଦେଖି ଗୋଟେ ବି ଲାଗିବନି କୋଉଠି ସବୁ ଏଣେ ତେଣେ ବାଜିବ 100% ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଟ୍ରାଏ କରନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ ନେଇକି ବସିବେ କ'ଣ ନେକ୍ସଟ
Item 37.
37 କ'ଣ ମ୍ୟାଟରଟା କ'ଣ? File is misplaced. Okay. List matter on 14th March. Land Council petitioner submit 6 time for 2 weeks as he had misplaced the file, and he would use the artificial intelligence to find out the file where it has been kept. We'll get it, or we shall give you a copy, or else this court will give a copy. ପାଇବେ କି ପାଇବେନି ଅଛି ତ ସୁବିଧା ନହେଲେ ଡ୍ରୋନ୍ ଫୋନ୍ କ'ଣ ଲଗେଇବା କୋଉଠି ବାହାର କରିବ କୋଉଠି ଥିବ। ନେକ୍ସଟ
Item 38.
38 କେହି ନାହାନ୍ତି? Non-APS list the matter on 29th. Next.
39.
100% petitioner. 39 39 ଆଜ୍ଞା 2011 ମେସାରେ କଣଟା ରିଜେକ୍ଟେଡ୍ ଫାଇଲ କରି ପକେଇବେ ଛାଡ଼କୁ 2011 ମ୍ୟାଟରଟା ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଅଛି କ'ଣ ଇସ୍ୟୁଟା କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଏବେ ସାରିଦେବା ଏଇଟା ଡିସମିସମେଣ୍ଟ ସର୍ଭିସ କ'ଣ ପାଇଁ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କରେ କାମ କରୁଥିଲେ କ'ଣ କଲେ ଡିସମିସ୍ କଲେ ଡିସମିସ୍ କ'ଣ ପାଇଁ କଲେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ give me counter agent ଛାଡ଼ନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ନୋଟ୍ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ କାଉଣ୍ଟର ଏଜେଣ୍ଟ ଚକ୍କରରେ ପଡ଼ନ୍ତୁ ନୋଟରେ ସବୁ ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଯାହା ଲେଖିବେ okay list the matter on 11th for final hearing it is made clear that no further time shall be granted to any of the party and the parties are requested to submit their final their written submission on the next date of hearing list the matter 11 March कर दिया 11 कर दीजिए अच्छा 13 हो गया 13 next
Item 40.
40
May please your lordship.
They are now no more in practice. I have instruction to appear on behalf of the bank. I will not cancel from bank from petitioner to summary.
give a copy and ask the petitioner to submit a copy on the council for the bank list the matter on 7th March next
Item 41.
May I pray, my lord, one per another writ petition has been filed in 2023.
who has filed
I have filed.
you have filed why
Here is the case for challenging the disciplinary proceeding. As per direction of the schedule, they have to de novo inquiry should be conducted. They did not conduct.
nor provide document, nothing has been done as on today, hence paid for quashing of the proceeding. Now in this case, though I have been selected for the promotional post, but not given because of pendants of the proceeding. So hence I prayed there the promotion as per the selection.
Okay, let both the matter come. এটা কোন পাই এটা কম্বাইন করছে
এইটা হচ্ছে প্রসিডিং টা ক্লাস পাইকা
আর সেটা
এইটা হচ্ছে প্রমোশন দেবা পাইকা হ্যাঁ এটা নোটিস হয়ে যাইছি 17/1/23
ওকে লেট ইট কাম নোটিস ହେଇଛି ଆପଣ ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ କରନ୍ତୁ ଏପିଏସ୍
21,790/23
ଓକେ 13th March next
Item 41.
My lord, it is a case of 2012, my lord. And it was first time listed in 2024.
okay you want to file the counter have you filed the counter
Okay.
Learn for the petition bank 2 weeks time to file the counter
Yes, yes.
though the matter was instituted in 2012 and the matter has been listed after 12 years. Hence, the learn for this banks 2 weeks time to file a counter and rejoinder if any to be filed immediately thereafter. List the matter on 27th March. है अब जल्दी जल्दी से देवे the counter to be filed by लिख दी था by 15th and rejoinder thereafter. Next.
Item 43.
43.
I am for the opposite party 1 and 4. I want some time. I pray to file the counter affidavit. The family pension matter.
Counter affidavit file is there.
No, why not?
Concept of the opposite party. 2, 3, 4.
1 and 4.
1 and 4. So file the counter within 2 weeks. List the matter on 20th March.
My lord 29th.
20th March.
20th March. Yes, my lord.
44th.
44.
Bank for the bank. हाँ ये पढ़ के ना दी 5 देख ला non-appears today on the previous date also on 19/2/2024 non-appears. It seems that the petition not possible. This was for the after time the revenue conservation. Next. Okay, name.
Yes.
Opposite petition नहीं से opposite party बड़ा petition नहीं value दिखाया जाए petition ना के नहीं लिखा हुआ
45.
45.
In 45, all the 5 matters are challenging the permanent lok adalats award, my lord. This is covered, my lord. In 2 cases against the provisional assessment under section 126 complete.
Just knows the fact. He knows the fact. But here the point is that
you are for
petitioner.
My lord, only the point is that for consideration, law point. Under section 26, 22C
C1
of the Legal Service Act, unless any matter is in a court before coming to the Lok Adalat, before a court, then it cannot be maintainable. So what it has been done, where there is assessment order already there, proceeding of assessment is already there under section 126 of the Electricity Act. Again, they are jumping up to the PLA court, which is not maintainable. That is why that is also barred under section 22C. And there is to that effect, already a judgment order is there of this Supreme Court. I had argued that matter, that is there. And the UP power corporation case, it was held deprecating the decision of the consumer forum because it is a quasi-judicial forum under the Electricity Act. That was referred. The Justice Gujarat.
Okay, maximum round.
You can place the fact if your lordship needs that.
Yes. Give a note of submission.
But
There's nothing there. Similar order. Give a note of submission.
I'll
By
file.
tomorrow.
Well, some.
Saamne
the-
kya acha do note of submission.
Tomorrow.
कितने बड़ा लिखिबो के कि ऐसे लिखिबो ना कौन.
In one case,
No.
will cover in
हाँ,
One-
दे दो तो गला. खत्म. खाली कर दो. खाली tomorrow. List करो ना. Order. I'll never get. Don't forget.
I'll.
Don't forget. I'll haunt you.
I'll file. Malaj, I'll file.
पछरे दौड़िबी. तमर फोन करके तुम मगा हबो ना. Once you commit, you have to commit. Next.
Item 46.
In item 46, my lord, similar issue is involved. Here also, I will simply add one more thing. Your lordship has passed an order with regard to proceeding under 126 and the jurisdiction of the consumer forum. Here, the question is, your lordship knows the very purpose of constitution of permanent local authority. If the consumer, if your lordship, if the consumer forum has also no jurisdiction, so under no stretch of imagination.
Exactly.
This is your lordship's order so far as the consumer forum is concerned.
It is consumer forum thila.
No, it is consumer, it is PLA. Permanent local authority.
PLA ने किन्हीं
How they are entertaining?
I don't know. बारंबार मैं कहूँ PLA अनकर गुड़े conference डाका गाली दा पे district judge गुड़ा retired करी West Indies से एती की minimum sense नहीं तो कौन से district judge केंद्र खाली देखी तो it is consumer forum not like.
No, this is PLA. The same issue, same issue. In the earlier case, this was that was also with regard to PLA. And here also it is with regard to PLA.
Consumer forum PLA like the line. Since it has been the consumer forum is excluded from the jurisdiction, how could the PLA bill be PLA entertain such petition when the case was not pending anywhere?
The case was under the
electricity case pending.
Electricity under the Electricity Act,
No,
226
where
is an
was-
authority.
where was the case
Before the authority under 126, against the provisional assessment.
Not before any court, na.
But here also lordship held that it is an
Sir,
authority.
question कौन पचार more clarification दरकार है इधर ऊपर. आपन कौन
Again,
question? I am asking one thing. Where was the matter pending and that was referred to PLA?
It was not referred to PLA. Matter was under 126 assessment.
Sir, PLA क्यों तो party जाए?
ना, मुझे कौन सी jurisdiction
Referring
है?
to the PLA क्यों उड़ी गला तो?
Again, semane gale?
से तो पचार. So they, without reference, they went to PLA.
They went to PLA.
Okay, under PLA. And how could the PLA entertain such application? No. The PLA would not have entertain such. And it is warned that the PLA should not interfere in such matter in future. Next, last one. Next.
Item 47.
Without application. Yes.
Order of the bank ombudsman is under challenge, madam. The fact is that the petitioner is a account holder on the against on the opposite side number 3, this branch manager Andhra Bank. He was a corporation.
ये तो करिया पड़े और चेंज करी पड़े फर्स्ट.
आज्ञा.
ये जो 12 मीटर आंध्र बैंक आवे अच्छी है बे तो अलग खाई गलानी. आपण आंध्र बैंक पार्टी ना चेंज करे पड़ियो. एबे अलग बैंक ही कौन टा नया बैंक तो इंडियन बैंक करे पड़ियो. ये पार्टी ना चेंज करे पड़ियो. Land Council the petitioner to take step to change the name of the bank as the Andhra Bank has already merged with the Union Bank of India. And according to the union, the merged entity should be made a party. Change and petition to change the memo of parties, so file a consolidated memo of party and serve a copy on the opposite party. This matter.
Sir, amendment petition file करे बोलो ना खाली.
Amendment petition file करियो ना. Amendment application file करियो then with a consolidated cost type. 7th. ନା ଆହୁରି ଦରକାର?
7th ରେ ମୁଁ ରହୁନି ତମର
ଆପଣ କୁଆଡେ ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି କି ଆମେରିକା?
6-7 ଦିନ ପର୍ସନାଲି
ଓକେ 21
ଆହୁରି ଆଗରୁ 11-12
ଓକେ 12 ଦେ ଦେ ନେକ୍ସଟ
48.
48 48 49 के नहीं नॉन एपीएस ठीक है लेट्स मैटर ऑन 4th March again नॉन एपीएस नेक्स्ट
Item number 49.
49
Yes, I am appealing the insurance company.
which for the opposite party
I am for opponent 3. The petitioner has filed and had not. Opponent 3. I am for opponent not 3.
complainant 9 नॉन एपीएस for the complainant opposite party number कितने से
Opposite party number 2 में.
2 no 2 यार ये लोग खाली ये चालची रेगुलरली खाली टाइम नहीं चालची लोड़ा ये भी 1 week time चालची okay non appeals for the petition the complainant opposite party number 2 last chance is granted to the complainant to appear in the matter failing which this court shall proceed ex parte this is the matter on 29th next
Item 50.
50
my lord, I'm appearing for the opposite number 1 and 2. This branch manager Central Cooperative Bank, a secretary Silo Cooperative Society. Now the matter is in influence, my lord. The petition comes to Kathata Hitler. You know about the status of the case.
what is
The application, my lord, it filed for obey the interest of the loan, agricultural loan. That has been settled, my lord. The loan account is closed. That is a document I have.
concept of the OP number कितने हैं बोलो
1 and 2 my lord
1 and 2 bank Mr. 59 है
my lord
50 था
50 my lord
Mr. Behera you are Behura
no I'm opposite party 1 and 2
oh sorry
Behura is the petitioner my lord
Panda
SC Behera is
बोलो ना कौन
no sir SC Panda na associate I am Ardas Naik I am Ardas Naik on behalf
Ardas Naik.
my lord
submit that the matter has already become infectious on the ground that the petitioner has already settled the dues and no dues certificate has already been issued by the bank. The said no dues certificate be kept on record.
loan account number mention kale bhalo achi nale for who is the file account number ଆଜ୍ଞା ଅଛି ତାতে ଦେଇଛି ଉପରେ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ସେ ଅନ୍ୟ ଲୋନ ଥିବ ତ ସେ ଅସୁବିଧା
Red लिख दो loan account number with respect to the loan account number so and so
ଲେଖି ସେକେଣ୍ଡ 17 15 proper ଲେଖା
first page में लिख दीजिए ना
second page से
ये लगा नहीं पूरी 40420 तो से
17 15 00541 8
ଆପଣ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ କାଇଁ ତାହେଲେ ଲେଖୁନି ଏରା ସବୁ ଆପଣ ଏତେ ଜ୍ଞାନ ଦଉଛନ୍ତି ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ବାଲା ଗୋଟେ ଜ୍ଞାନ ଦେଲେନି ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ବାଲା ଲେଖୁଛି କୋଉ ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ କ୍ଲୋଜ ହେଲା ଲେଖୁନି ସେ କିଛି ଡିକ୍ଲେୟାର କୋଉ ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ ରେ ଏଗେନ୍ଷ୍ଟ ଲୋନ କ୍ଲୋଜ କଲା କଣ କିଛି ଦେଖାନି
ଯେତେ ବର୍ଷ କେସ୍ ହେଲା
ଏତେ ବର୍ଷ ହଉ ଯାହା ବର୍ଷ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଲେଖିବନି କୋଉ ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ ଲୋନ କ୍ଲୋଜ କରୁଛି ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କର ଏତିକି ଦାୟିତ୍ୱ ନୁହେଁ
ଲେଖିଦେବୁ ସାର୍ ଫର ହୁଇଚ୍ ଦି ରିଫାଇଲ
with respect to the loan in question ଲେଖିଦେଲା ଗଲା କଣ ପଡିଛି ଲେଖି ପଡିଛି
ଆଉ ଲୋନ ଅଛି
ଥିଲା loan in question ଲେଖିଲି ପରେ with respect to the loan in question
ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ କ୍ଲାରିଫାଇ
କେତେ ନମ୍ବର କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ଲେଖି ଦେଲେନି ଏଟା ନା ଥିଲା ଏଠି ଲେଖିବାର କଥା ନା ଆପଣ କେତେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ କେତେ
sir 17/15 17/15 00541
00 541
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ये की अकाउंट नंबर इनका अकाउंट नंबर बना
सेंट्रल
ସେଥିରେ ସେଣ୍ଟ୍ରାଲ ର ସବୁ ବୁଡୁଛି ଏଇ ସବୁ ଅନସିଷ୍ଟମାଟିକ ଲେଖା ନମ୍ବର जो बैंक देला एमती निजर भाई बंधु कुटुंब भीतर लोन नेकी खाइदेला गला सब से पैसा गला
Item 51.
51 but in a state like Maharashtra they are doing extremely well because they are systematic କରୁଛନ୍ତି ପୁରା ଏଇଠି ଯେ ଚାଲିଲା ସରକାର
loan subsidy तो cancel
ହଁ ସେଟା ଭଲ
Sir,
scheme
here
ଆଉ।
in this writ application, notice was issued to the opposite party. Inadvertently, Lord, instead of filing requisites by speed post, by registered post was filed.
so ଆପଣ requisite complete ହେଇନି
I had filed the requisites
Huh?
by registered post
ओके ଆପଣ फाइल କରନ୍ତୁ requisite petitioner to file requisite afresh
by speed post.
by for speed post
Yeah.
place the matter on 3rd April
Requisite I'll file by day after.
2013 हाँ जेबे करନ୍ତୁ within 1 week कर दिया
Okay.
next
52.
52 52
52 I am on behalf of the bank.
ଏଟା କଣ ଅଛି
ଏଟା ସେ ଲୋନ୍ ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟରେ ନେଇଥିଲେ ତାଙ୍କ ୱାଇଫର ଗୁଡ଼ାଏ ଲୋନ୍ ବାକି ଥିଲା ଏଥିରୁ ଇନଷ୍ଟଲମେଣ୍ଟ ନେଲା ବେଳକୁ ସେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ଇନଷ୍ଟଲମେଣ୍ଟ ନିଅ ନାହିଁ।
ବୁଝିପାରିଲେନି କଣ ଇସ୍ୟୁଟା
The husband had a SBI account. The wife taken loan, giving loan to this. ଯେତେବେଳେ ଇନଷ୍ଟଲମେଣ୍ଟ ନେଲା ବେଳକୁ ଆଉଟଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡିଂ ଇଏରେ
କିଏ ଅଛି petitioner କିଏ ନାହାନ୍ତି
ନାଇଁ
non petitioner non appears for the petitioner list the matter on 4th next
Item 53.
53 53
In this case, my petitioner challenge the order annexure 6, my lord. The
again
notice has been
case
found.
କଣ କହନ୍ତୁ any time you never know so after 50 there is no certainty okay life ର କିଛି certainty ନାହିଁ ତାପରେ କିଏ କେତେବେଳେ କୋଉଥିରେ ଯିବ କିଏ କହିବନି ତେଣୁ ପଚାରିବା always ask before this thing when there is a gap 13-14 year ର ଆଉଛି 2024 ରେ ଲାଗୁଛି there is a huge gap ନା you take the instruction whatever ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଅଛି ଯେ he is no more you are saying he is no more
Yes, sir, he's no more, sir. I had the death certificate.
ଏତେ
ଆଉ ବି ଦରକାର ସେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି
ତ କଣ କରିବା
ଇନଫ୍ୟୁଚର
ଆଉ ସର୍ଭିସ ମ୍ୟାଟର ଆଉ କଣ ନାହିଁ କରିବି
ନହେଲେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି କାଳେ ଯଦି ସବସ୍କ୍ରିପସନ କରି କଣ ଯଦି ଅଛି ଯଦି
କଣଟା ଅଛି ଆପଣ ଜାଣିପାରୁଛନ୍ତି କଣଟା ଅଛି
ନାଇଁ ସେ କଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି
ହଁ
10 years visa
so promotion ପାଇଁ କରିଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ କଣଟା
sir, she expired କରିଦେଇଛନ୍ତି।
Land council the petitioner submitted that the matter has already rendered insufficient since the petitioner has passed away in the meantime being a promotional the issue pertaining to promotion in the bank hence the petition is rendered in forces disposal unnecessary ରଖିକି ଦେବେ
ଇନଫ୍ୟୁଚର ଆଉ ଯୋଉ ଥାଉ ସେଥିରେ ଇଫ୍ ସର୍ଭାଇଭ ଥବ ଆଉ
କଣଟା ସର୍ଭାଇଭ କରିବ
ଯଦି କଣ
the petitioner କିଛି ଛାଡ଼ିଦେବ କିଛି ଆଉ ସର୍ଭାଇଭ କରିବ
Kindly record the name of my senior SPR.
your name of your senior
Saroj Kumar.
okay Mr. Saroj Kumar on behalf of your name on behalf of Mr. Ashutosh Prasad Mr. Saroj Kumar Das appeared in the matter
Yes, sir. On behalf of
Ulta.
Saroj Kumar Das, I am the
Ashutosh Patnas on behalf of Saroj Kumar Das okay ठीक है
Thank you.
so next
Item 54.
54
My lord, on behalf of Mr. N.K. Sahu, I pray for a passover, my lord.
Passover why don't you argue
My lord, I just received that.
Just received the
I have
file.
no instruction, my lord.
so you
Just requested.
so when do you want Passover
Yes,
okay
ma'am.
Passover
Okay, sure.
Item 55.
55
Item 55, your lordship, I have no instruction. I am filing the memo, your lordship, may defer your-
okay land council the petition submitted there is no instruction then next
Item 56.
56 your name your name will reflect opposite party number oh insurance company okay नाम लिखिए ये लिखा है देखो ना एस के सारंगी ये कौन लिखा है इसका नाम
Sudeep Kumar Saroj.
सुदीप कुमार सर ओके ठीक है
56.
ओके 56 56 के ना none appears for the petition unless the matter on November 29th. Next,
57.
57. अरे कौन मैटर टा कौन को? What is the matter about? ये क्या हुआ? Starting report is कौन सी? Step to file the requisite. बेसिक कौन थी वो से केस रे? ଆଉ ଥିବ ସେ କେସ୍ ସେ ଲୋକ ବି କିଏ ବଞ୍ଚିଥିବ ମରିଥିବ ଗଡ୍ ନୋଜ୍ ଯା ଟେକ୍ ଗୋଟେ ଷ୍ଟେପ୍ ଗୋଟେ ଚାନ୍ସ ମାର କାହାକୁ ଇଏ ଅପୋଜିଟ୍ ପାର୍ଟି କିଏ ଆରବିଆଇ କୁ ତ ସବୁ ପାର୍ଟି ବନେଇ ଦଉଛନ୍ତି ଏଚଡିଏଫସି ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ କିଏ ସିଟି କର୍ପ ଫାଇନାନ୍ସ କଣ ଇସ୍ୟୁଟା କଣ ଜାଣିଥିଲେ ଗୋଟେ ଫିନିଶ ପଢିକି ଆସ ଦେଖିବା ପଛେ ପଢିକି ଆସ
20 installment EMI amount to
20 डिफॉल्ट करछि तो कौन हबो बे एते दिन कौन थिबो सेटा
instruction tax consider 1013 तापर matter
ओके 4th मार्च को स्मॉल इश्यू एते दिन इंस्टॉलमेंट देना से गाड़ी आउथिबो से गाड़ी 2013 मैटर से गाड़ी केतर जाई खत होई आ कोन हिस्सा थिबो इंस्ट्रक्शन नहीं छोटा नो इंस्ट्रक्शन लगा म छाड़ डिसमिस करो डिप्रेशन डिसमिस फॉर नो इंस्ट्रक्शन है ना आ कोनटा करबी देखो if any cause of action arises the petitioner is given 3 months time to approach हला 3 मास दे आ ता भीतर न जा हां
send a letter to the petitioner तापर से लेटर का रिटर्न बैक और वेट का वाला पोस्ट कर पेज में का मेंशन करना
कोदरे
item number 7
7 ना मन अछि कोनटा हला से तोला आई वंस द मैटर गोज आई फॉरगेट 7 रे कोन छी
70 no instruction.
मैंने जा सिंबी जाओ नो इंस्ट्रक्शन यू सेड नो इंस्ट्रक्शन ना तो नो इंस्ट्रक्शन गला जाऊ और कोन
लेटर को सेंड करछले ना एटलीस्ट कांटेक्ट कर दिया था काम करते
नो इंस्ट्रक्शन माने सी देई ना किछि
तो किसी साडो किसी पाई ना दे आपण हम टाइम तो दे देछि जदी किछि अछि यू कैन गेट सम टाइम या गिवन लिबर्टी एप्रोच न लगला टाइम देछि हला
Item 58.
in the old matter गुडा टेक प्रॉपर इंस्ट्रक्शन कम ज्यादा जस्ट सिंपली खाली एडजन कर चलथिबे कोन 14 13 मैटर एडजन कर कोन माने छी यू कांटेक्ट अदर यू से नो इंस्ट्रक्शन खत्म नेक्स्ट
Item 58.
58
Here, my lord, I have challenged the award of the permanent Lok Adalat. The issue involved in the permanent Lok Adalat.
yeah for the IPCO Tokyo
Aye. The issue involved in the permanent Lok Adalat to grant PA, personal accident claim, to the deceased, to the claimant who is the wife of the deceased man. I have filed the written statement stating therein that the FIR was registered against the deceased, that he was driving the vehicle. Charge sheet was filed against the deceased, and the case is abated. Because the accused is not there, the case is abated. But however, the charge sheet was filed against the deceased man.
why
Because he was driving the vehicle and rash and negligent driving. My lord,
so he died due to rash negligence
rash and driving by himself, my lord. Therefore,
so what is the proof of rash and
No,
negligent driving
that man charge sheet, police
Charge
paper.
sheet, police paper is there.
Yes. The permanent local level, what he has held, my lord, that the wife is saying that he was not driving the motorcycle and there is no rash and negligence on the part of the
motorcycle
Aye. Part of the
saying में क्या होता है
Aye.
if there is nothing in the police record saying is nothing
हाँ मैं तो सेया कहूँ saying टारे आजा करी करे दे देले award
permanent mess they are actually doing mess lot of problem with permanent local.
Once there is a police paper vis-a-vis a oral evidence, who is also not the eyewitness to the occurrence. How this the permanent local have awarded the amount in favor of the
This is 2013 matter.
mile. And there was an interim order of stay of execution. That is the sole point before your lordship. Ma'am.
Application Runa Baitha. Wife of Ranjan Baitha. If I give one illicit judgment of the policy receive premium from policy you are the pillion rider.
See a କହୁଛନ୍ତି but your lordship will kindly see page 27. 27 is the FIR.
FIR, let's see.
Driver.
Yes.
Ranjan Kumar Baitha. He is the, my lord, husband of the claimant. After, my lord, this case was registered, it was investigated into.
Visited the spot and examined the witness. During investigation, it came to light that on 6 to 2 evening, Ranjan Kumar Baitha was coming to Baripada from driving motorcycle alone in the motorcycle. So, the pillion rider is alone Lakichi.
Yeah.
Okay, considering the this charge sheet?
Charge sheet page 33.
The charge sheet dated 12 to 2010. It has
Right.
been clearly
During
indicated by the report, by the charge sheet that the petitioner was the sole.
No, the husband of the claimant.
I'm so sorry. The husband of the petitioner was driving the motorcycle alone, and he was not a pillion rider. Further, he was, what is that? Is national negligent driving?
Charge sheet file
Due to his negligence driving and thereby explained while under the
expired while under treatment.
Since it is a case of negligent driving, the petitioner cannot be granted the Lok Adalat report award whereas
Annex 3, my lord.
whereas the petitioner, on the basis of the petitioner's statement,
My lord.
the learned permanent Lok Adalat has made him as pillion rider of the said vehicle, and has introduced one Kuldeep Ghadai, who received a minor injury on his body. After the accident, the deceased was admitted to the DHH Baripada. Doctor referred him to SCB Medical College, where while he was undergoing treatment, he met his tragic end. Due to the negligence of the deceased himself, he died. Instead, the learned permanent Lok Adalat has recorded the finding that due to the negligence of driving of Sudeep Ghadai, who was not at all seen, he was not at all found in the he was newly introduced as a pillion rider, as a driver of the vehicle, whom none of the witness has ever seen. He further, the learned permanent Lok Adalat has wrongly passed the award, which is on a wrong presumption with respect to the with respect to with respect to granting the award. The Lord Constable, the petitioner further submits that whatever the wife of the petitioner, the petitioner has stated before the said PLA, everything has been taken as a gospel of truth, whereas the truth is totally different. My God, कितना लंबा है। The facts and circumstances of the case as narrated above, after having gone through the award passed by the Parliament of Adalat and the charge sheet filed by the police and the submission made by the land court petitioner, this court is of the view that the award passed by the permanent law Adalat is erroneous, accordingly set aside. Next.
Item 59.
9.
In 1996, they were working in DRD Jharsuguda. Consequent upon the merger of DRD with the Jilla Parishad, there was a meeting held in 2013, and it was decided.
Now there is no DRD organization. It is merged.
So now
How can DRD merge with Jilla Parishad? I think it is still there, DRD.
But there was an initial 2-year also, there was a.
Sir, is it true that the DRD has been merged with Jilla Parishad? It has been only brought under Jilla Parishad.
The Jilla Parishad.
DRD is still there. PD DRD are posted regularly, I see the newspaper. And how it is merged? DRD is agency, how can it merge with something body of what elected body? It has been brought under. Brought under is different, sir. Merged can be. Jilla Parishad, earlier collector was, because collector is also there, the chairman of the.
DRD has filed a counter, they have not filed a copy.
Case ଟା କଣ?
Since 1996, the petitions were working under different post under the DRD. And on 30th May 2013, under the chairmanship of the collector, there was a meeting where DRDA and Jilla Parishad were taken on by the DRD. It was decided to dispense with the service of the present petitioners.
Your nature of service, you are temporary or permanent? Huh? अच्छा कहूना से पार्टा नके सब काम करथला सब से पार्टा को छाड़ी सब कहबे गेले से कहबे ना कॉन्ट्रैक्चुअली वाज अपॉइंटेड कॉन्ट्रैक्चुअली हां तो कॉन्ट्रैक्चुअली अपन आपन नेवा पे बाध्य न से माने
You know that the resolution of 2013 since they have completed 9 cases, completed 6 years of service, uninterrupted service. At urgent date, since 1996, they are working with us.
So you have completed.
No, I am still now I'm working.
You have completed 6 years service and they should have under that 13.
Yeah, 13, 2013 that I have finished.
You are directly from the, you are directly appointed or through some agency? You have
No, directly.
Directly they should have.
Yes, but the prayer is not that, They have not made that prayer, Manoj. For regularization, that prayer
What is
is
the
absent.
prayer, sir?
Therefore, the fitment committee, that resolution that is under annexure 2, that is what they have challenged, Manoj.
No, what is the challenge?
I challenge that recruitment committee resolution dated 39/2013 was directed to dispense with our service.
There must be, what is the reason for that?
Pardon?
There must be some reason.
Yes, Manoj, the funds were insufficient from MORD. So that is why, because of insufficiency of funds, a lot of employees were let go, Manoj. And they also fell victim to that. That is the only reason.
Then, at that point, you have been appointed in which year?
1996.
1996.
I attended their service. That you have filed it on.
But you have your this resolution in 2013.
Yes, that is.
Which says
my learned senior has not asked for that prayer.
That doesn't spell out about the insufficiency of funds.
No, that doesn't.
That says 6 years you have completed. You have regularized. That doesn't spells out about the insufficiency of.
But then my learned senior may amend the prayer. I will file a fresh counter.
Then further direct opposite parties to regular appointed to the petitioner is not the as per Annex 3 in 2013 resolution.
You take instruction on that because they have spent so much time in the organization, they should be responsible. And moreover, you have a policy according to the resolution of 2013. You should have adopted.
I'll take instruction.
Okay. I'm granting you 4 weeks time to take instruction.
Got you.
28th March. Next.
Not provided by the OPTID. They are not solvent.
You give a copy.
Lords, we also don't have a copy actually.
You don't have copy.
So I
Give
may
a
also
copy.
be permitted.
Take a copy. Next.
Item 60.
Challenge out of permanent local the minor.
Permanent look at the Kongala.
Crop insurance. Connected matters are 6 to
Upon Kapai.
bank.
Bank.
Pass
Kongala.
pass
Crop insurance Dape Koila.
Ah.
Upon Deleni.
My insurance company though. We are not liable.
Permanent look at the Kongala, sir. On issue that he content coalition is Jani Pale.
Insurance company is liable, not fiction upon me. But all the respondents are jointly several pay token compensation of 2000.
ବୁଝୁନି କିଛି ଆପଣ କଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଟିକେ ମତେ ମୂଳରୁ ଟିକେ କହିବେ କଣ କହିବେ କଣ ହେଇଛି କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ କମ୍ପାନୀ ପାର୍ଟି ବନେଇନି
ହଁ ହେଇଛି
କୋଉଠି ପାର୍ଟି ବନେଇଛନ୍ତି ନାଇଁ ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ କମ୍ପାନୀ କୋଉଠି ପାର୍ଟି ହେଇନି
ଟୁ
ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ କମ୍ପାନୀ ଟୁ ଏଗ୍ରିକଲଚର ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ କମ୍ପାନୀ ଅଫ୍ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ ପ୍ରାଇଭେଟ ଲିମିଟେଡ ଓକେ ଓକେ
ଏସବୁ କନେକ୍ଟେଡ ମ୍ୟାଟର ଟା 5 ତାରିଖ ସବୁ ଗୁଡା ଅଛି
ଆପଣ କଣ ଇସ୍ୟୁ ହେଇଛି ମତେ ଟିକେ କହିଲେ ନା ବୁଝିବି ତାପରେ ସେଥିରେ ଯିବ ନା ନାଇଁ କହିବି ନା ଆଉ ଇସ୍ୟୁଟା କଣ
The opposite party number 1, Madam crop insurance. I am for the bank.
What is the crop insurance for what? What is the calamity?
For paddy.
Paddy loss for what, sir? Maybe drought, flood, cyclone. Could be something. Tell us. What is the ground? Natural calamity means what? Which kind of natural calamity?
That I have.
Sir, file the पढ़ी आसंदो दयाकरी फाइल पढ़ु ना कौन पे calamity इतना जाना नहीं आप लोग आ कौन टा मुझे डिसाइड करी एतिकी तो पढ़ी आसंदो घर में आप लोग कौन साइक्लोन हला किसी जाना नहीं आप पढ़ाले अगेंस्ट द परमानेंट लॉ तो बस इनकी कौन हुई केस कर आप नोट टे बने क्या नहीं मत देवी प्लीज प्रिपेयर ए नोट एंड गिव मी you and proper note. How agricultural insurance company पे किए पर कुछ ये ना दी
ना
तो सब एक कॉपी
सेम केस रे इंश्योरेंस कंपनी भी फाइल करछि रिट
रिप्लाई फाइल करछि इतरे
ना ऐसे केस अलगा केस फाइल करछि
अलग केस इतरे
कारण भी सेम हो
लगे
5 तारिख को थोड़ा करछि
सर प्रिपेयर करके आसंदु प्लीज पढ़ी के आसंदु फाइल न पढ़ले कोन ऐसे हाउ डू असिस्ट यू आर असिस्टिंग द कोर्ट नेक्स्ट
Item 61.
Regional Provident Fund Commissioner. Yes. You are for? PF Commissioner. Passover. Petitioner की? वो petitioner council में. Council के कुंज सुंदर दास. कहीं से कुंज सुंदर दास. खाली मैटर लागू खाली जितना टाइम नहीं चलती trace out the counter affidavit, place it on track. Non-appears for the petitioner when the matter was called.
Item number 61.
About 61, it is a matter.
My lord.
Here for the petitioner.
My lord.
About the history both correct. What is the case about?
Petitioner is dead, my lord.
So have you substituted the LR?
My lord, already filed, my lord. Substitution petition already filed, my lord.
It has been allowed. Has it been allowed, sir?
My lord, not allowed into.
Maximum time I want appearing going to allowed.
Maybe taken up 1 week after, my lord.
Two 2014 matter, 2014 matter. Land council of the petitioners. Okay, the substitution petition allowed. Substitution allowed. Is High Court order is. Sixteen is.
21290.
Okay, substitution petition allowed is. Chalo, can next one. Please the matter on 11th March.
My lord,
11th March.
humble prayer, my lord. Prabhakar Pradhan is the main petitioner, my lord. Now he's dead, my lord. So Chandrama Pradhan is his wife, my lord. Now a substitution petition is allowed. So my lord, this Chandrama petition, Chandrama Pradhan name may be reflected in cause list, my lord. This is my prayer. First item.
Our considered file karandu.
My lord.
Considered file. Petition to file a considered considered. According to the registry related to select the name of the petitioner in accordance with the considered considered. Hello. Okay. 11th March. Next.
Item 62.
62.
My lord, in item number 62, my lord, I'm on VC, my lord. There are two cases, my lord. The matter has been compromised, sanction has been made. Only 7 days time to make the payment. Today, the bank link is not there. The person is standing in the bank, my lord. I have already taken consent of my.
So what do you want? You want some more time? Okay, land consider petition submit that since it is on the verge of compromise and C6 1 week time to take proper instruction. 4th March.
4th March, my lord.
63.
63 টা একদিন হয়ে গেছে।
64.
64.
What may I plead, my lord?
What is the issue?
I am for the petitioner, my lord, that the opposite party is the Paradip Port Trust. My lord, on every occasion when the matter has been listed, the counsel for the opposite party 6 times, my lord.
2016 matter sir अब time मांगुଛନ୍ତି फिर बार-बार कौन भाई?
My lord, may I kindly verify the court records, court orders, my lord. Every time has been read from the side of the opposite party. Here I have challenged the advertisement issued under Annexer 5. What has happened, my lord? Earlier one advertisement was issued.
For the non-appears of the petitioner, that time to nije appear karo alga alga
No, ମୁଁ ଖାଲି ଗୋଟେ date ରେ appear
ଗୋଟେ
କରିନଥିଲି.
date ରେ ମୁଁ
Because
ଲେଖିଛି
I was held up in another court for that reason.
ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି ନଥିଲି ତ ମୁଁ non-appears ଲେଖିବି ଆଉ held up ଥିଲେ ମୁଁ କଣ ଲେଖିବି held up in the other court ଲେଖିବି in fact you have because of your absence things have got been adjourned. He is not taken many times. Good land counsel for the opposite party 6 1 week time is the matter 7th. After that no further time shall be granted to any of the parties. Next.
Item 65.
65. 65 पड़ेगा 9 non-appears no 29 level.
Last one non.
Next. Okay. Only 66. Now which is opposite by now.
My lord, 55 our name may be reflected, my lord. For the opposite party, my lord.
55 name may be reflected.
I guess.
ठीक है. They are to release the vehicle means?
The vehicle has been seized.
Huh?
So my prayer is to release the vehicle. I am ready to pay the whatever the installment is overdue. I am ready to pay. 50% I will pay upon release of the.
When did it become LPA?
Well, it is a old matter.
NPA.
NPA that you can say.
Yes.
NPA date, I have not been communicated with the date of NPA. My lord and brother from the.
When did you take the loan?
My lord,
When did you take the loan?
I took the loan in 2017.
2017. You continue to pay till what time? Regularly you are paying till what time?
But I have paid 16 installments, 16 lakhs.
Regularly you are paying till what date?
Up to 2019, I paid it.
19.
19.
And then you are irregular.
Then I became irregular.
19 which month?
But exactly not able to.
So after that you are irregular. You have not paid.
And they approached the Honorable High Court of Calcutta under Section 9 of the Arbitration Act. There they got an order of seizure. Receiver were appointed. It was
done everything is legally.
Subsequently, no, I don't say it is illegal. I am ready to beg. Because ultimately, they have to sell the vehicle.
How much? But the vehicle is there or they have sold? I don't.
They have that vehicle is there.
There?
16 lakhs, the total amount is 32 lakhs 67,179 was the contract value. Out of that, I have paid 16 lakh 23,710. Rest 16 lakh.
What is the outstanding, sir?
I mean, permit to submit my Item 22, it was 49 lakhs 21,798 when the matter was referred to arbitration. But in the meanwhile, Sri, the resolution plan has been approved. In NARCL, that has been already taken over. Resolution plan has been approved. And in the present restriction, this is as my learned brother submits, it is not in for release of the vehicle. They have challenged the impugn order. The impugn order is passed by Consumer Commission at Jagatsinghpur. That whether Section 100.
Why the Consumer Commission had to something any role to play here? There is between the bank, you are taking loan, and why Consumer Commission will come into picture?
There is another read of
Why
I have not challenged the order of the Consumer Forum. Let's have a glance to my prayer.
No, I am not on that. I am not asking whether you have challenge or not challenge. I'm saying if it is a question of bank loan and bank or NBFC, whatever, the loan is there. So between you and the bank, all right, and or the NBFC, if at all, if anything there, there has to be go to debt recovery tribunal, or maybe what resolution, so IBC proceeding.
IBC was probably initiated against them.
Then, so what is the role of Consumer Forum?
No, consumer, it was before the IBC was moved.
So why consumer?
Consumer, my application.
What is the defects that what is the ground for going to Consumer Forum?
But,
you take loan, you don't pay, and if they take any action, then you'll go to Consumer Forum.
Ultimately, that ended with an unsuccessful result. So now, my lord, my prayer is because they would sell it and recover it. That amount I am ready to pay.
So what is the amount, sir? Total amount is outstanding is 40?
Because on Item 2022, it is 49 lakhs.
49 lakh.
Yes.
And now in 2024, I don't, it must have crossed
49 lakh, they are saying, including all the penal charges, everything, all the litigation.
Okay, suppose they waive off the penal charges, then how much it will cost?
Then 16 lakh would be the installment outstanding amount.
Now that stage is over.
May I suggest one thing, my lord? May I suggest?
Pending. They have challenged the arbitral proceedings.
Appointment of the arbitration.
23116 of 23.
Appointment of arbitration. You challenge that.
I have challenged.
This is before before.
It is, they have initiated an arbitration proceeding in the Calcutta.
In Calcutta High Court?
No, I have challenged it here, my lord. It is before the other bench.
And presently, NARCL, in absence of NARCL, will not be in a position to already regional plan has been.
You go to them, whatever they did, court is not going to help you anyway. Court is raising its hand.
I am.
You are going on by arbitration is there.
Arbitration proceeding as such.
Court can't help you, sir. You approach them. If they consider. If they will take legal action, they'll let them. Court can't.
They shall not consider, my lord. I am ready to pay. Only also.
I'm ready to pay that 59 lakh.
49
lakh. Sorry, 49 lakh.
May what I suggest, may I suggest one thing? Let the vehicle be released on payment of 16 lakh in 3 installments. Rest amount I will negotiate and settle this amount.
Are you agreeable to this?
They have to approach NARCL presently.
NARCL?
As per resolution plan, National Asset Reconstruction Company, that has been
Oh,
May,
that
then in the, lots may, let them provide me the details of the company. I'll make him a party so that it can be resolved.
रिजल्व नहीं होगा ये हो गया
ଏଇଠି ଆସନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା
लेट मी टेल यू रिजल्व कभी नहीं होगा
ଏ ହବ ଆପଣ ପାଖରେ ହବ
ନା
ଆଉ ବେଟର
ଆରସିଏଲ କରେ ପଳେଇଲେ
ଆରସିଏଲ ପରା ଆରସିଏଲ ରିକନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ କମ୍ପାନୀ
ହଁ ତ
କୌଣସି ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଅଥରିଟି ବି ନୁହଁ ଆପଣ ପାଖରେ ହବନି ତ କାହା ପାଖରେ ହବ ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଲେଟ୍ ନୋଟିସ୍ ଗୋ ଟୁ ଦେମ୍ ମାଇଲର
ସ୍କୋପ ବାହାରକୁ ପଳେଇବନି ଆପଣ
ନାଇଁ ସେମାନେ କଣ କରିଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ନୋଟିସ୍ ଆସନ୍ତୁ ସେମାନେ ପଇସା ତ ନେବେ ସେମାନେ ଯୋଉଠୁ ହେଲେ ପଇସା ନେବେ ବରଂ ସାର୍ ମୋଠୁ ବେଟର ପଇସା ନେବେ କାରଣ ଗାଡି ଯୋଉ ଯେତିକି ଦିନ ସିଜ୍ କଲେଣି ସେ ଗାଡି ଭେରୁ ବିକିବେ ଯଦି 4-5 ଲକ୍ଷ ପାଇବେ ମୁଁ ତ 16 ଲାଖ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦଉଛି ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ
he also right he has a point
Let them approach, my lord.
ଆପଣ ପାଖରେ ନାହିଁ ଆପଣ ତ ଡିଟେଲ ଟା ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି
49 ଲାख 15 ଲାख ପକେଇଲେ ଲାଭ କଣ କିଛି ତ ହବନି ଫାର
So let the, whatever they have sold, they assigned the estimate to any company.
NARCL is a party.
Let him give the recital of the party. I'll make him.
And consider the petitioner to make NARCL as a party as the said after the resolution plan. The NARCL has what order ta
Order dated 11/8/2023 by National NCLT Kolkata.
Order dated
11/8/2023.
2023 as per this the order of Calcutta High Court.
NCLT Kolkata.
Oh sorry NCLT Calcutta what
The resolution plan has been approved in favor of NARCL.
The resolution plan has been approved in favor of NARCL. Hence, the NARCL is a necessary party which need to be implemented here. The Lord Council the opposite party to provide the details of the NARCL. Accordingly, the petition to make party by including by filing an implementation application. This is the matter fourth draft. Fourth I'll issue notice to the NARCL. Next. 4th of March.
Petition file
Petition file କରିବେ ଆପଣ notice ତାପରେ ଯିବ ନା ଆପଣ ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ detail ଖାଲି detail ଟା ଦେବେ ତ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ତ ସେଥିରେ detail ଥିବ ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ next
Passover item 54.
54
before is against a notice issued to the Rourkela Steel Plant for recovery of the provident fund dues.
EPF Rourkela Steel Plant EPF କେମିତି
EPF is exempted, Rourkela Steel Plant is exempted under section 17(1). What happened in this case, there is a cooperative society, consumer cooperative society.
Oh, but that society,
they have settled with certain amount, and where the steel plant was not a party and steel plant has no connection with that society.
Okay.
That is a separate entity. It was registered under the cooperative society.
It is like a there is a law school there in that IIT Kharagpur. It is nothing to do with Kharagpur. Just because in the Kharagpur campus and it was in a society was formed.
Yes.
And everybody says IIT Kharagpur has a law school. IIT Kharagpur doesn't have any law school.
Has nothing,
like
nothing
that.
to
Nothing
do
to do.
with that.
Totally nothing to do with.
Nothing.
And the IIT Kharagpur is run by it is under the your Ministry of HRD.
Suddenly a certificate officer has issued a notice that you pay the amount.
Here it is nothing to do with this. Like that.
Suddenly has issued a notice that you pay the amount.
So that consumer, so the forum, sorry, that
has been liquidated. That the official liquidator
that
is there.
Society is still existing or it's
Still, that society, the asset has been
dead. That is also dead.
It has closed and the official liquidator, the assistant registrar is the official liquidator.
Okay.
If there is any amount is pending, then the recovery proceeding is provided under
Sovereign
section 8B to 8G. And they can approach under section 68. Under section 68 under the Cooperative Societies Act.
Sir.
And we are not parties, we are not
Party is not necessarily dead.
Huh?
The thing is that Lordship can turn to page 6 of the briefing.
Now tell me Khali one, just clarify one thing. If a cooperative society is existing under, see, suppose you can say under the banner of the cell, right? How cell will be?
The fact is that
The co-society is a covered establishment.
Hmm?
It is a covered establishment of the under the EPF Act minutes. Once
That,
it's
that,
covered
that, that nobody is
establishment-
disputing. Nobody is disputing.
Yes, Lord. Once
Yes.
a covered establishment,
Yes.
it is the duty of the employer.
Who is the employer, sir?
The employer is the corporate society, Lord.
Ah,
Yes. So
that
yes,
cooperative society, not sale.
No, not the cell.
Ah.
But thing is that, Lord, it is under the cell.
How can it be under the cell, sir?
Just can you turn to page 6 of the brief, Lord?
This is the confusion.
What he says, Lord?
I have given his best example. There is a law school inside IIT Kharagpur campus. I'm giving example. So parents become very happy. My child is doing his law in IIT Kharagpur. But IIT Kharagpur has nothing to do with that law school. It was only because you have to have a registration under the Society Act, and you set up something.
Yes, sir.
Maybe some contribution might have been given by that IIT Kharagpur. Maybe.
I'm not in that.
Like the same pattern.
No, but it is not something.
Same what?
Just I'm telling you that MS HSWCCC Ltd, that the society was formed by the employees of the petitioner company. That is their.
Sir, employees are not these sales, sir. Try to understand. No, sale employee could do anything. They can have a cooperative society, they can have a school, they can have a medical institution. What is that for the welfare of the people? They can do that. That doesn't mean to make them liable for that. No.
You know, kindly turn to only one.
Sir, tell me one thing. I am not turning anywhere. Simply say
that the further I am to bring your kind notice there that WHLU was functioning as a department of RSP. It is
not it. Can't be. He is stating that is wrong. Can't be. How a cooperative organization floated by the employees will be under the particular employer? How can it be?
My humble submission is
No.
what the petitioner in this writ application.
Petitioner has no role, let me tell you clearly.
Petitioner.
Common sense I am applying. I am not using legal sense. Yes.
That under section 8G B to G, we have power. That is different matter.
That nobody is disputing, sir. One thing he is disputing, and in fact rightly disputing, that this employer cannot be held responsible for any cooperative societies floated by the employees, and that cooperative society fails to pay the EPF dues. Then how can this
But in this writ application, the petitioner challenged 2 notices. That is annexed for 8.
Sir, notice challenge kata chahantu basic ke jantu. Basics.
Yes, let them appear before the. I view the notice. You have challenged 2 notices issued to the.
ଆପଣ ଯୋଉଟା ମୁଁ ପଚାରୁଛି ସେଟା କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଖାଲି ପ୍ରୋସିଡିଓର କୁ ପଳେଇଲେଣି କୋଉ ନୋଟିସ କଲା ମୁଁ ନୋଟିସ ଫୋଟିସ କିଛି ଯାଉନି ମୁଁ ଖାଲି ବେସିକ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ପଚାରୁଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ହାଉ କ୍ୟାନ୍ an employer be held responsible for something done by the employees who have floated a particular the society, and this society fails to pay? It is not the employer's duty to just take care of everything. All these things.
After closure, it was transferred to RSP.
Kendi. Apon transfer ke kola transfer? Ki kola?
By virtue of their resolution.
Which resolution? देखेले resolution टा मते? देखा कौन लगाई जी?
कौन food transfer?
Resolution टा देखेले?
Fund transfer is quota transfer is. That society has not been transferred to us. Why it will be transferred? It is a separate entity.
The employees has been observed by RSP after its liquidation. Therefore, during the functioning of the management of HSWCC Ltd, that is transfer from RSP as such, the RSP is solely responsible for deposit.
किए टे लिखिला से लोकटा लेखक यार किए
Liquidator लिखिले.
किए लिखिला आज्ञा से लिक्विडेटर किछि लिखि देबा हम मानि जिवे
Appointed by the government.
Appointed by the government. तो से भूल भाल लिखि देबा साडे मानि जिवे ना कोन?
So yes, if that be
so, this is not
yes,
proper.
That be so, then how it be decided?
Sir, it can't be decided like this. Employer, first of all, let me be very clear. Employer, here sale is the employer, Steel Authority of India Limited. They cannot be held responsible for such kind of this cooperative society floated by the employees. So they can't be.
The statute says
Had in one case it is there. If the cell is giving substantial fund.
Yes.
Just coming to that. Coming to take care, Rohantu, patience. If it is giving a substantial fund for running of that organization, लाइक जो आम जमी कॉलेज मान को दिया होची सरकार जमी दोची ग्रांट किसी ग्रांट दउथुओ ए सब हेले देन ऑफ कोर्स दे विल बी हेल्ड रेस्पोंसिबल आपण ग्रांट दियंती
किछि ग्रांट
ग्रांट न दोसरा किंदी हेल्ड रेस्पोंसिबल हो सर
I'm coming to
सर जुरिस्प्रुडेंस आगे बुझनु तापरे जिवे से जो कोन कोंती नोटिस फटिस या से एडो मु जायनी आगो मु जुरिस्प्रुडेंस बुझियो चाहू मेन जिनस बुझुना खाली नोटिस देला से 7A 8A कोन से गुडा कोन do one thing if that if that is that is under liquidation
already liquidated
then sir seti gale ni apna
already liquidated
liquidate kala la apna gale ni ta liquidator pakku se dei thanda kon na sori gale kon kichi kar paribani this court beyond the jurisdiction of this court
it is there in that.
Alright.
That the fact of the case.
e court podichindi apna page kete
Page 5 with that.
page 5
5 of the brief.
ଆପଣ जो ଗପ କିଏ ଫାଇଲ କିଏ କରିଛି ଆପଣ ପିଟିସନର
no we are the
opposite party. One.
ସେଇଥିରେ କଣ ମିଳିବ ଏଥିରେ କଣ ଅଛି ଇଫେକ୍ଟ
That the fact of the case in detail are that petitioner undertakes several activities for welfare of the employees
ଟିକେ ବୁଝନ୍ତୁ
inhabitants of township.
ତ ସିଏ ଆଉ କଣ କୋଅପରେଟିଭ ସୋସାଇଟି ଏମିତି କଣ ଗେମ୍ ଖେଳିବା ପାଇଁ କରିଛନ୍ତି
They are financing. They say. The aforesaid welfare activities include extending the health, accommodation, financial, logistic support for promoting cooperative movements among the employees of the petitioner company, and as a result, several cooperative societies are now functioning in Raurkela. One of such cooperative is such and such. So they are financing.
ସାର୍ ଆପଣ ଏଇଟା ଆପଣ ବୁଝନ୍ତି ପ୍ରପରଲି ନା ଆପଣ ବୁଝେଇବି ମୁଁ ଆଉଥରେ ଭଲ କରି କଣ ଲେଖା ହେଲା ଆପଣ କଣ କଣ ହେଲା ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ବୁଝିଲେ ଏଇ ଯେ 5 ରେ ପଢିଲେ ଆପଣ ଏଥିରୁ କଣଟା କହିଲେ ରାଉରକେଲା ଷ୍ଟିଲ୍ ପ୍ଲାଣ୍ଟ ରେ ବୁଝିଛି ବୁଝିଲା
Raurkela Steel Plant?
ରାଉରକେଲା ଷ୍ଟିଲ୍ ପ୍ଲାଣ୍ଟ ତାକୁ ଇଏ କରୁଛି ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ଏଇଟା
Yes.
କୋଉଟା ୟେସ୍ କହିଲେ
Petitioner is the Raurkela Steel Plant.
ଏ ଭଗବାନ ଆପଣ ତାଙ୍କୁ ପାର୍ଟି ବନେଇଛନ୍ତି ବୋଲି ସେ ବନିଲା ମୁଁ ରାଉରକେଲା ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କଣ ପଚାରିଲି
ଆଜ୍ଞା
I am asking a simple question.
କଣ?
How can the Raurkela steel plant will be held responsible for non-payment of EPF dues by a floated cooperative societies by the employees? That is my question.
It will be treated as principal employer.
How? They are not employer at all. They are not under them.
Not necessarily.
They
are
dismiss karo. Dismiss karo.
But after this that
No. सेमती हुए नहीं. सेमती हुए नहीं. शिक्षा minimum basic concern बुझी खाली एंती गपिला हो.
नहीं सेमती मुझे कहो नहीं.
बिल्कुल whatever you said it is not acceptable at all. It is not acceptable. अब मुझे लॉजिक रे बुझांतु को केस लो दियंतु न केस लो दियंतु कोथि लिखा है जी
केस नो देगा स्टैट्यूट रे आप
अरे स्टैट्यूट रे क्लियर काई कोथि लिखा है जी
स्टैट्यूट रे पढ़ना
को पढ़ली आपण पढ़ना दी पढ़ी बुझांतु मत देखिया कोथि लिखा है
paragraph
सेक्शन कोड आसको मते
paragraph 30
पैराग्राफ 30 कार
EPF Act
पैराग्राफ 30 ना सेक्शन 30
paragraph 30 of the scheme
कोड छडा अछि को स्कीम टा
employees provident fund scheme
बोलले केते पेज रे अछि मु पाउनी ये एक्ट रा को सेक्शन कोड कोन अछि देखन मते
paragraph 30 देखो
कोडी पैराग्राफ 30 अछि मैं के देखि खोलि के देखि मैं देख बन
once they are for their
जो आपण देखंतु एक्ट पहला फोन से देखे तब बता आपण खोलि देले टिक मो बहिरु मु पारुनी खोलि कोडे पैराग्राफ 30 कोडे थाय मु तो पाउनी एक्ट रे मु जानि छी सेक्शन थाय पैराग्राफ थाय बोले मते जानि कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन रे आर्टिकल थाय
पेमेंट हो
एथरे पैराग्राफ कोड
section is there
सेक्शन ता कहबे नि आपण पैराग्राफ 30 कोले किन जानिबो हम
scheme of the scheme ଅଛି
को स्कीम रे अछि मो
देख बे paragraph
को स्कीम
paragraph is employee provident fund scheme
स्कीम रे न थाय कि स्कीम रे सेक्शन न थाय
नहीं scheme of the
को पैराग्राफ
paragraph 30 here आके
पेमेंट ऑफ कंट्रीब्यूशन हां कहले
last तक में
the employer shall be in the first instance that is the employer के the cooperative society formed by them
the employer
तापरे not the SL again
in respect to the employees are two in respect to employees employed by or through contractor or the contractors are recover the contribution payable by some employee as to the members' contribution, they are paid principal employer, shall be paid to the principal employer. It shall be responsibility of the principal employer to pay both the contribution payable by himself in respect of the employee directly employed by him and also in respect of the employees employed by or through contractor and also admin charges.
Field it is not doesn't cover. This thing doesn't cover that.
They are challenged to notices. Notices.
Sir, do one thing. You give me a written submission and a case law if you have, and I am reserving the judgment. I can't unnecessarily waste time. Give me, when are you giving that? Give me a written note of submission.
7 days.
Okay, place the matter on 13 after law. For submission. Both of you give that.
Yes, yes.
And any case law you have,
I'll
you give that.
1 minute.
14.
14th March.
Huh?
Not in Thursday. Maybe Friday.
Okay, 13. 13.
Oblige.
13.
Oblige.
Please give a short note. You might be having point, but sir, you please give it. Show some case law. I am so far from the statute, I don't find anything.
Once, as per the provisions of the Recovery Act, the recovery officer has no jurisdiction to withdraw the recovery requisition. It is
Sir, when the liquidator was appointed, at that time you should have approved the liquidator. Of course.
No, we are concerned with our money and about the.
क्या बात कर रहे हो sir? Concern with money, nobody is stopping you.
Outside.
But when it is under liquidation, we have to approve the liquidator.
Yes.
Liquidator
Liquidator has also appeared and he has filed his so-called.
Liquidator को सिर्फ आपण approach करिवे आपण केमती के देबो पैसा आपण को. This company is no more. Had it been there, things would have been different.
Not a company, that is a cooperative
Society.
society.
Sorry, society.
Because sir, he has taken the
Cooperative society guided under the provisions of the Cooperative Society Act.
Sir, नहीं होता ऐसा. Next.
Special notice.
Okay, Havildar election. आ जाओ.
WPC 4261 of 24, special notice matter.
So,
relating to election of office bearers of Kandhamal District Havildar and Constable Association branch.
Havildar is कौन अच्छी special के malformity. ऐसे लोग तो ऐसे interested.
On 8
Every day there are some. Anyway, tell me what is this.
8/2/2024 notification was issued for election matter. Thereafter, petitioner applied for the post of vice president.
Again, repeat.
8/2/2024 notification was issued for election. On 18/2/2024 nomination was filed. Petitioner applied for the post of vice president.
You have prepared a chart of nomination. When was it published? Election matter है सबसे first thing गोटे paragraph रे लिखा जाए कौन सी election, general election हो, A election हो, date of notification, date of nomination, date of scrutiny, date of rejection. 4-5 date must be given in a table. Better रखेगी देखिए वो सब वाले. This is the way.
Page 18, madam.
Page 18. सब इलेक्शन पीरियड कौन पेज है सब इलेक्शन पीरियड एती की डेट निहाती देबो. This is the basic we have to do. Put it inside the body of the writ petition also. Yes, 18 come.
18/2/2024 petitioner applied. Nomination was date of nomination.
So you applied.
My nomination was rejected on the ground. Page 35 on the
Tell
ground.
me,
that I
ago
have
underground.
wrong designation of my post, my lord.
What is that?
Wrong designation field in nomination form 16.
कौन लिख लिया अपना?
Havildar. Petitioner is a driver Havildar.
तो
on that ground, my candidature has been rejected.
आपका post designation है ना driver Havildar. तो आपन लिख ले खाली Havildar.
खाली Havildar. But
अपन निजा designation ठीक लिखना ते organization के लिए चले.
May I submit, my lord? Other constables and Havildars, they are the APR constables and or ordinary reserve constables. Their candidature has been accepted. Only my candidature has been rejected. That is the sole ground, my lord.
So other candidates are accepted means what? They have also
accepted all 1 to 19, my lord. Page 35. These are the lists, my lord.
Let's see. List of candidates, we have filed the nomination for OPH and C Kandhamal election 2024. Valid list of candidates. But Ethereum can janibi je tama
All are APR constable and ordinary reserve constables, my lord. And they,
ତାଙ୍କର ସାର୍ ଦେଖିବାକୁ ପଡିବ ନା ସେ କଣ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ଆଉ ତାଙ୍କର
they for this book it has been mentioned, my lord.
But you didn't understand my thing. Unless I see what they have filed in the nomination paper, what is their, I mean, your
lordship, not for the records.
Just hold on. So I have to see whether the designation, if APR constable is there, APR constable has to be written. If suppose somebody has written constable and has been accepted, and you have written Havildar without that driver Havildar, you has been rejected, then you have a case. And suppose everybody has written APR constable, and you have only one person who has not written this driver Havildar, then you are gone. Who can help you?
My lord, your lordship kindly see they
Apply common sense first, then go to law. Understood what I said?
Constable only C likha hai.
Unless I issue notice, I'll see that.
Tomorrow is the election, my lord.
Then
To
କାଲି ଯଦି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଏଇଟା ନଥିବ
uncontested କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଅନ୍ୟ ଜଣକୁ my candidate has been rejected, my lord. Only uncontested.
Uncontested
ହେଇଛି. So only because of that reason.
କାଲି ଅଛି election. Okay, stay. You have to produce the nomination paper.
Lords, but their specific pleading to that aspect is not there, and no document has also been filed, your lordship. How can they prove?
Nomination paper they can't file.
But stay, my lords, with you. So they can very well get it through RTI. Nobody is stopping that.
RTI ଗଲାବେଳେ ସେ ଥିବ election ଆଉ.
Infructuous ହେଇଯିବ.
ତାର ସବୁ ସରିଯିବ. You have to show that paper.
Let the
officer, who is the returning officer?
DSP, my
DSP. ना कौन?
ना जान. SP, my lord.
Lordship
Deputy
Lordship is, if your lordship is granting stay, lords, only for because
I'm granting stay. I'll give you a short date. Let the officer personally come, show it, go. If I find he has, I mean, suppose others have been allowed and he has not been allowed, then it is a small mistake actually. To be very frank, there is a small mistake, but it has to be correct. It is not small in that sense also.
If others were allowed.
If others were allowed with the same mistakes, then if they have not allowed him, then it is a problem. But if others, everybody has written APR constable, and this is the only person who said only Havildar. He should have written driver Havildar. Then of course, she doesn't have any case. That we have to see. Association election, the general election, okay.
And lordship only grants stay for the post of vice president, your lordship, because that is what.
Only for that post only.
Let the rest of the my lords.
Vice president already uncontested, my lord, that post. So because of that reason, they have
then entire thing has to be stayed. Then
Lords, but they are not contesting for any other post.
No,
the vice president.
Then because otherwise, if I stay also that it is not election, is not there.
So how will the election affect her?
She will affect. That will affect her. Her client, sorry.
That post is already, as he's saying, it is there uncontested.
Uncontested. If this person goes there, suppose we find that actually the rejection is invalid, then there will be election again. Oh. No. I'll stay the election. It will happen again. Not like that. It doesn't happen like that. 7 दिन election में बड़ा लोग कौन टाइम जीवो?
Lordship.
तो देश भाषी रहे कौन general election 2024. आओ election आया तो election not की difficult because it involves so many population. I mean, electorate of very, lakhs of people are there. It's a different. But here it can be. Like the petitioner challenges the order dated 19/2/2024 in rejecting the candidature of the petitioner for the post of Vice President of Odisha Police Havildar Constable and Sipoy Kandhamal Branch Association in an arbitrary fashion. The petitioner submits that Orissa Police Havildar Constable Association has been formed under the provisions and rules, under the rules, under the provision of law and rules, including the police force bracketed restriction of right bracketed close Act 1966. The association is guided by its bylaw, and the office bearers are elected every year. If people drafted, I'm so sorry to say, जोटा इश्यू था ताकू बेसी न गपिक तार ऑब्जेक्टिव ये सी कहलन तार के इतिहास भूगोल सब लिखियो असल कथा लास्ट पैराग्राफ थिबो बायलॉग गोटे लिखियो ए सब तार ऑब्जेक्टिव लिखिया दरकार ऑब्जेक्टिव लिखाई छी ऑब्जेक्टिव तार कोन टू डेवलप एंड मेंटेन ए हाई स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ एफिशिएंसी डिसिप्लिन लीगैलिटी ब्ला ब्ला कोन बकवास है सब सीधा तो पॉइंट कौन आसीबो स्ट्रेट कम टू द पॉइंट दिस आर द इश्यूज दिस इज द लॉ अंडर व्हिच इट इज गवर्न खत्म तापर आइला तो टॉपिक को आइला ई जमको तार ऑब्जेक्टिव हमको तार माने अच्छी तो लिखी चला खाली लिखी चला कौन दरकार 2 पेज लिखे तो 17 पेज लिखिबो आसी देखो on rule 1 to 23 deals with the activities of branch association. The head of his establishment, the case may shall be chief election officer for such election. The head of the office establishment, superintendent of police, commander, DIG. All the contesting candidates shall have give their on and a goppa seven.
Page 10
Straight come to the point. Where is the exact thing?
Paragraph 10, page 10 paragraph 10 to start.
Precise. Come to the point. Straight come to the point. 2 पेज रे काम सरियो तक 16 पेज वेस्टेज ऑफ 16 जैसे आ गुटे एग्जांपल 16 दिए मु रेवेन्सा कॉलेज रो गुटे जो थिला कोन डेमोन्स्ट्रेटर केस फाइल गला हम डेमोन्स्ट्रेटर मान को यूजीसी स्किल के दिया हबनी से पिटिशन फाइल करथिला से के लॉयर बंधु फाइल करथिले रेवेन्सा कॉलेज केमती हला से मयूरभंज राजा तंग 20 लाख टका देथिला से पैसा डिपॉजिट हला से रेवेन्सा कॉलेज हिस्ट्री जान नथिले फर्स्ट टाइम आई गॉट द हिस्ट्री मु जान नथिले मोटे एते कथा हितला से इतिहास रे से 5-6 पेज गला तापर इन दिस इंस्टीट्यूशन द पिटिशनर इज ए वर्किंग एज ए व्हाट डेमोन्स्ट्रेटर इन फिजिक्स डिपार्टमेंट माय गॉड माने उपन्यास लिखिबो जे सबडी उपन्यास लिखिबो उपन्यास लिखिबो जागा अछि ना लेकिन मार्केट बिकु ना वही उपन्यास ते उपन्यासकार बाहरले ने ओडिसा रे गुटे सेकंड एडिशन कार केंदे बाहरे नी एक्सेप्ट फ्यू सेकंड एडिशन
paragraph 10 my lord page 10
सब देखो बी प्रिसाइज एटा लॉ रे प्रिसाइज रे टू द पॉइंट आसीबो एते गप लेखनी प्लीज पैराग्राफ 10
page 10 to start
एते सब दिन कहूची फिर भी फायदा होनी समते सही हिसाब पिटा स्टाइल तो चेंज हबनी आ पूरा the petitioner is a
my lord
driver havildar or driver come havildar driver havildar as per the notification of dated 8 to 2024 for election of the association for the post of vice the petitioner applied for the post of vice president and as per the said notification the issue of nomination form and presentation of nomination was fixed on 18 to 2024 as per the nomination schedule, the nomination paper was scrutinized on 19 to 2024 on the scrutiny and the publication of list of validity nominated candidate was to be published in 22 to 2024. Accordingly, the nomination paper was scrutinized on 19 to 2024. The nomination of the petitioner was rejected on the plea of non-mentioning of the proper designation of the petitioner, full stop. Being agreed by such rejection, the petitioner has approached this court. She further submits that the petitioner has there are some other candidates who have been who have also submitted with without their proper designation, yet their nomination form has not been rejected. Full stop. She further alleges that to make the one candidate to declare one candidate elected uncontested, the petitioner has been the petitioner nomination paper has been rejected on a flimsy ground. Full stop. Allah. Considering all these facts and submission made herein above and perusing the documents annexed herewith, this court is of the view that unless the nomination papers are presented before this court by the returning officer, what is the election officer? What is his
Returning
de-
officer.
designation? Kono?
Returning officer come deputy superintendent DI Kandhamar.
Okay, returning officer come deputy superintendent Kandhamar shall present the nomination paper, original nomination paper before this court.
My lord, chief election officer is the SP. Your lordship and direct SP.
SP can ask you.
The returning officer.
To present the original nomination paper before this court on 4th March 2024 in order to scrutinize as to whether the petitioner allegation is true or not.
Along with their service book, my lord, service book रे exact टा लिखा ही था. Exact designation टा service book रे mention ही था.
आपका designation कौन हो?
Driver हविलदार.
मैं कहीं service में तो कौन दरकार? You are saying I am concerned with that nomination paper only, nothing else.
Right.
Okay. In such view of the matter, the election which is going to be conducted, election for different post. The election notification na?
My lord, 27/2/2024 कल्ली अच्छी जोटा.
कोई page चा कौन दो?
Page टा तो page 32 notification.
Page 32.
Date of polling of vote.
Accordingly, the election notification published on election notification केब्बे का रेटा notification
एटा 8/2
8/2/2024 wherein the election has been scheduled on 27/2/2024 is stayed and let the state till the next date of hearing. Next date of hearing is stayed. The urgent certified copy may be issued.
In course of the day, my lord.
Of course, during the course of the day. Okay.
March.
We'll see. Okay, rest of the matter will be divided for the
Well, item 73 ta. Item
same.
73. No. Recruitment matter ta kindly taken up tomorrow, my lord.
Rest of the matter can rise. That will be spaced out next.
My lord,
You are no instruction.
my lord, item 7, my lord, item 72, my lord.
बाकी मैटर गुड़ाक लास्ट 3-4 दिन भीतर स्पेस आउट हो 10 15
My lord, item 72